All good now. Let's go. Ike in the building. Mr. Reaper. Mr. God tier. Let's go. All right. So if you're in the building, drop me a present message. Drop me a following. Drop me I'm alive. And just let me know about the volume on the beats. How are we doing? Is my voice loud and clear? Are the beats audible too? Are we good? Are we good to go? Alright, I'm seeing the crew hopping on. Pumzile, welcome, welcome. Leah, loud and clear. Ike is in the building. Alright, y'all, no time to waste today. Let's try get things done as quick as we can. And thank you so much, everybody, for being here. Hey, Mr. Mad Hill, brand new South African member to the Trading Academy. Please, everybody, welcome Mr. Mad Hill. And I must say, honestly, one of the nicest people I have met in the last few years. Your conversation is magnetic. It's so difficult to stop having a conversation with you. And let me just say hi to everybody. Thank you so much for supporting me by being on my channel. Please smash that like button. Oh, Games Media is in the building. Absolutely lovely to see you, brother. All right, so I have a lot of BTC analysis to do. I have a lot of alpha. There's no time to waste. If you are watching on Twitter, please come over to the YouTube. This is where the fun is at. And go to my YouTube. Everybody go to my YouTube. Open up the Discord. If you are an OG trader, if you have some alpha, drop it in the Discord live stream charts channel. And I do want to do a giveaway today, but y'all are going to do something for me too. So if we hit 100 likes, I will do a giveaway. So invite your friends, your family, your aunties, your uncles, your grandmothers, your grandfathers, right? Everybody needs to know about crypto. Now is the time. And just like my thumbnail from the legendary WACO says, this is an incredible opportunity. And Matt, you're so lucky to be coming in to the industry at this time. And of course, we need a rap session, y'all. Before we get going, I need to warm up my vocals so I'm not stumbling my words. I'm dropping flavor, my behavior is hereditary, but my technique is very necessary. Blame it on Ice Cube, cause they said he gets funky when you got a subject and a predicate added on a dope beat. Some suckers just tickle me straight to my stomach, cause they don't flow like this one. You know what? I won't hesitate to diss one or two before I'm through. Some drop science, but I'm dropping English. Even if Yella makes it a cappella, I still express, yo, I don't smoke weed or cess, cause it's known to give a brother brain damage. And brain damage on the mic don't manage nothing but making a sucker in you equal. Don't be another sequel, express yourself. Alright, it's time to get straight and meditate like a Buddhist. Who's in the house? Alright, I see Reaper, I see Games Media, I see Mr. Paddy. And Mr. Paddy, you're an OG, bro. I see your trades, I know you're an OG. So hop into the Discord, let us know your alpha on the charts, and we're gonna go through a lot of altcoins today. Of course, we're gonna start off on Bitcoin. So no further ado, let's get going, y'all. And if you are here, please do smash the like button. Let's see how we're doing. We're doing pretty well, but we don't have as many likes as viewers, right? We don't have as many likes as viewers, so please do help me out. Push the algorithm. Let's get some new people into the building. Let's help YouTube push it out to new people, and the likes are the best way to do that. All right, first time here from yesterday's Zoom. Oh, let's go, newbies in the house. All right, I'm going to try take it a little bit slow, but we are going to do some advanced stuff. We're going to do some DGen stuff. We're going to do some live trading. So if you are a newbie, trust the process. Let it flow over you. And, you know, we're all here to learn. There's no pressure. There's no stress. So take it easy. And you know what? It's all about repetition. We're going to be saying these things a few times. So, oh, let's go. Let's go, Mr. Andy in the building. Good morning, my brother. Lovely to see you. Another South African OG. And yeah, really, really awesome human being. Andy, thank you for dropping in. Drop the fucking likes. Let's go. All right, who's in the building? Who's in the building? Drop us a message if you're here. I'm going to do a little bit of TA on Bitcoin to start us off. And then we're going to head into some fundamental analysis. And you know what? While the peeps are hopping on, let's have a little bit of fun. So you should be hearing my audio, right? You can hear the beats and stuff, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up just a little bit of fun from the crew. And let's go. This This has made me so happy. So Amana, just let me know, who is the artist behind this? And you know what? This is one of the most important things like that I've heard lately, and it's so OG. So let's listen to it. Can everybody hear this? Can everybody hear the audio? Take profits. It's a bit low. All right, all good. It's a good song. It's like the audio is a bit low. All good, no stress. But basically, what he's saying is take profits, y'all. If you see profits, take profits. Has everybody heard me? If you see profits, take profits. And yeah, let's have a little bit more fun here. I mean, we're gonna talk about Jerome Powell, but I don't know why it's opening up on my other screen. Let me see if I can bring it up. Nah, it's very hard right now. I'm struggling with the Telegram. Wait, but I have an idea. Give me 1 second, y'all. Give me 1 second. Alright, anyway, Telegram's being weird. I wanted to show you a few funny things, but no stress. We're gonna get straight into the alpha. Give me 1 second, give me 1 second. Alright, so I'm gonna try take it a little bit slow today, right? Because I'm always rushing. I always feel like I need to rush in these streams, and that's not the way to do it, actually. Alright. Oh, man. Oh, that was such a cool Take Profit song. But Amana, is Amana here? Let me know, who is that artist so I can actually get that song loud for us all to hear, because it's one of the coolest things I've ever heard, and I want to nail it into the crew. And yeah, I'm going to show you a few funny memes just now from X300, but it is time to get into the work. And yeah, very nice question coming in here. What's this alpha? So basically, alpha is a word that just means information which is hitting us before it's hitting everyone else. So alpha information, beta information, whatever, delta information. And alpha basically means there's still time to get into the trade. So if it's like an alpha signal, it means that there's still time to make money in the trade before everyone else. Pumzili, are you with me? Coinrency, another OG in the building. So please open up the Discord under live stream charts. I want you to drop for me your charts. Alright, so here, this is the important learning, right? When you take the screenshot of your trade that you're so proud of and you drop it into your community and your DMs and you flex, that is when you should actually be taking major profits off the table, like initial margin off the table. Let the rest ride. Are y'all with me? No stress, Mr. John. Got you in my ear. That's how we go. All right, Lingo. I have Lingo on my list. We will be looking at the fundamentals on the Lingo. So thank you very much for that, Mr. Reaper. Mr. Tuco. I see the crew is here. Did I miss any? Alright, pump the volume. Alright, no stress. Telegram's being weird, but we're getting straight into it. And the first banner I'm gonna drop is just smash the likes, y'all, because if we get to 100 likes, I'm gonna do a giveaway. And we're already pumping. We're already almost at the 20. So let's go. I want to do a giveaway, but y'all are gonna do something for me on my side too. And I have another special surprise to show the crew, but we'll wait for more members to hop on. Alright, thanks for everybody for being here. Let's get straight into the Bitcoin technical analysis. And I'm going to try take it slow today. I'm always rushing, right? I'm always rushing in, but let's try take it a little bit slow today. Alright, so as we can see, Bitcoin is 100% behaving. we have this upward sloping daily channel. So if you don't have the upward sloping daily channel drawn out on your charts, Matt, this is something that you can actually do. Very, very easy for newbies to draw this out. And as you can see by my favorites, the parallel channel is actually my second favorite indicator, because honestly, it's pipelines. This is how the charts work. It's support and resistance. This is how you learn to spot trade, by identifying the support, identifying the resistance, and very often the support and resistance will actually be parallel, which allows you to pull out a parallel channel. AOG, Mr. Jibola in the building. What's up, my brother? All right, ETH against BTC. OGs dropping the OG stuff. I'm making a note right here, my brother. We're going to do ETH against BTC. I do believe ETH is heavily undervalued right now. I think there's a big opportunity in ETH. I didn't add to my ETH trade because the daily RSI did not come down, but we're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about it. A weak and strong stock. Okay, we're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about it. Lovely to see everybody in the building. Please keep the chat hot. I want to hear from you. I see more live viewers than likes, so please smash the like button. All right, let me just draw out this daily channel. I know we've got newbies on the channel. Mr. Matt Hill is brand new to crypto. He's brand new to trading. And basically, technical analysis is about pattern recognition, right? Our brains are supercomputers, and what they're best at is recognizing patterns. So you've just got to access your natural pattern recognition mode. And anybody after just a few weeks or months of analyzing will start to notice, you know, of course, there is an invisible line here, right? Can everybody see that there are invisible lines on the charts? And you just need to start to understand that they're not actually invisible. They are real lines on the charts that traders are drawing in. And all you have to do is take a trend line and plop it in here and try to find. So Tuco was asking last night in the beginner stream, how do we draw support and resistance? And of course, go to Bybit Learn. It is a university course. Absolutely anything you need to know is here on Bybit Learn. And I must say, you know, this is a beautiful one to start with. What is support and resistance, and how to trade crypto with it? So Mr. Matt Hill, I'll drop this in the comments for you and for anybody who wants to learn about support and resistance. This is a full university course here, so just go through it, have a look, learn to trade support and resistance on spot, and of course open a demo account. If you ever want to trade demo, you just come to your face, you come down to demo trading, and you will have $100,000 of Bybit funds, which is real liquidity on the Bybit platform that you can trade with. Right? No other exchange has a demo platform that is real liquidity. This is actual real funds on Bybit liquidity, so you learn to trade on the real market. And of course you cannot withdraw the profits. And a lot of people will say, oh, it's a waste of my time. No, it's not. It's how you first learn confidence in your trading strategy. It's how you build a trading plan before you go ahead and wreck all of your own hard-earned savings from other industries. And I will tell you very honestly, I was a profitable spot trader for 10 years before I started trading leverage. As I started trading leverage, I wrecked close to $25,000 of my spot profits because I didn't have a community. No one told me to trade demo. No one told me I need a trading plan. All I did was go 100x when Moon Boys told me to, when there was a breakout of a triangle. And we're going to talk about triangles today. We're going to talk about ADA, symmetrical triangle, how to really properly trade before the breakout. But I just want you to know from personal experience, the main reason, my passion here, the reason that I'm building a community is to make sure that other people don't make the same mistakes that I initially made and took a very long time, a very lot of depression to try and correct my mistakes and make back my profits. All right, beautiful stuff. I'm gonna rant a little bit today, I'm warning you, because we got newbies on the stream and they need to hear this shit, right? All right, so very simple to see. Most touch points is how you identify support and resistance. You see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then boom, the trend line finally breaks. And you know, trend lines don't last forever. They flip. And if we go to a lower time frame, we'll see indeed that we broke down here, we came back, we retested it, we flipped the support into resistance. But the main thing when you're learning support and resistance is to understand how to simply draw them. To use your brain as a pattern recognition machine and just pull out a line and drop it here at the level of most touch points. And you just watch that level, right? You trade it as support until it breaks, and then you only trade it as resistance when it retests as resistance. So if we go down to a lower time frame, we will clearly see, okay, things were faking out like crazy. But there it is, right? There was the retest of the support as resistance. Absolutely beautiful. And look how confused these charts are. Beautiful tweezer bottom on the candle reading. And I'm going to do a little bit of candle reading today. We can see... Okay, let's do it now before I forget. But we can see here on the daily time frame, and I would say especially if you're a newbie, especially if you're a beginner, try to stick your candle reading, try and stick your candle reading to the daily time frame and above, because yes, candle reading works on any chart, but it's a lot better to learn on the daily. Alright, and as we can see, we've got a beautiful hammer with a tiny top and a massive bottom, but the main thing is, alright, let's see who are the OGs in the chat and who's been listening to my candle reading teaching every week on a Tuesday morning. What is this candle pattern? Let's go in the chat. What is this candle pattern? Leah, trading like a business. There we go. There we go. Never mess around with your funds. You cannot trade without funds. The main thing in trading is capital preservation and risk management. And of course, don't see it as a hobby. Don't see it as something fun, because you know what? There are people in the world who are starving. There is abject poverty throughout the globe. Do not be one of those people who mess around with money. If you're going to mess around with money, rather give it to a charity. And I'm busy contemplating at the moment. We'll see what my business advisor says and what my accountant says. But I'm thinking of making my newly registered trading academy a not-for-profit trading academy and giving all results. Because now people are asking me for private classes. And I can't do private classes for free, right? Because I'm too busy. So I'm thinking I'm going to charge for these classes, and I'm going to take all of the money and I'm going to build schools in underprivileged communities in South Africa. What do y'all think about that? Alright, indeed it's a hammer. Indeed it's a morning star, it's a hammer. But there's another pattern here. Let's go, there's another pattern here, peeps. Come on, come on. Nonna illa donna incinta. Oh, I wish I was that good at Italian. My Italian is not yet that advanced. Ike, you're gonna have to help me out. No, come on, y'all. Gibson, what is this pattern? Coinrency, what is this pattern? Please. Don't tell me you've forgotten the candle reading learning that we've done. Come on. Okay, it seems like we actually need to do a little bit of a lesson here, isn't it? Okay, yeah, so this is like not really a doji. Remember, dojis like to have their middle, like their body somewhere in the middle. Remember, a doji is about indecision, and we have the candle body at the top here. Oh, Aika deserves a gift. Let's go. It is indeed the pregnant woman pattern. And in Japanese, this is called the Harami pattern, y'all. Gibson, hey, you're sleeping, my brother. You haven't had your breakfast. Alright, so let me quickly show you. And it's one of my absolute favorite patterns. I love the patterns with like really cool names because they're easy to, you know, remember and identify. So here we go. This is the bullish Harami. Can everybody see? This is the bullish Harami pattern. Well done, Aika. I'm so proud of you. And indeed, Harami does translate directly to pregnant. Oh, Ika's in the building, coming in hot. Let's go, let's go. All right, so the basic idea behind this candle pattern, and as you can see, I've completely fallen in love with candle reading. If you don't understand your candles, you cannot read the language of the charts, and you are trading blind. No, it's all good. So it's not actually... Okay, so first you said it in Italian, then you said it in English, but just remember, in Japanese, it is Harami. Harami, I mean, it's so anime, it sounds so awesome. And yes, so a hammer is always present in a Harami pattern, right? But if you see a hammer in a Harami, it actually gives the hammer a lot more strength. Because, I mean, I can show you so many examples of this further down in the charts. So let's have a look. And I mean, this was the last massive Harami pattern. So never mind these trend lines right now, but can everybody see this pattern, right? There is the Harami candle pattern. And here you can see there is the end of the downtrend. And here's the little baby boy or girl, right, who gets born. And we can see that this, I mean, it's quite an interesting pattern. It's quite a sad, beautiful, philosophical kind of view on life. And basically what happens here is the trend dies, the mother dies, but in her death is the birth of a new trend and the start of a new cycle, right? Every death is a rebirth. And as we can see, this little baby boy did well in life. And basically, to trade this pattern, you enter your trade at the exit of the little baby boy or girl, and you set your stop below the wick, right, at the bottom of the death of the red candle. So you would have entered there, you wouldn't even have come near to stop loss. And you know, here we can see another. Here's the Harami. Like, it's time and time again. And honestly, it's one of my major candles for confluence. If I see a Harami candle, I very often do enter a scalp trade or a long trade, because have a look at this, right? Let's just measure it out. If you entered on that Harami candle, boom, 97% up on Bitcoin on spot, candle reading for the win. You cannot make this stuff up. And what I want to show you here, something else that's really beautiful, is of course the OG indicator market. Cipher B gave us the confirmation of the long, and we saw the Harami candle at support. So remember, you only trade a Harami at support, and you only ape into it if you're getting the bullish divergence. So here was the bullish divergence on the market Cipher B, and don't worry if you're a newbie and this is going over your head. I am going to do a market Cipher B strategy tutorial in this stream. So you are, by the end of this, going to have a greater understanding of these wave trend bullish divergences. But for now, just let it flow over you. Trust the process, let it be. And as we can see, even this one was great, right? Harami candle, bullish divergence, boom, 20% up on Bitcoin. No one's complaining on a 20% rise on spot or 2x. And this is actually a 50x strategy when I trade it. All right, give me 1 second, 1 second. All right, I'm back, y'all. Interesting. Oh, that's really interesting. So, okay, so Haram. Wow, very cool to have some Arabic in the crew. Indeed, we are not being rude here. Harami in Japanese simply means pregnant. And this is what I want to hear, that my teaching is being remembered. Thank you so much. Tree Hubley in the building. What is up, Tree King? Let's go. Yeah, what do you think of the thumbnail, y'all? I literally think this is the coolest, this is the most professional I have ever looked in a thumbnail. So everybody give props to Mr. WACO for doing it. Out of the goodness of his heart, I must indeed just start paying him, right? Because this is professional work that he's like just doing out of the goodness of his heart. Yeah, exactly. So true, the wick is a little bit long to be a hammer, right? But it's still the Harami, and like for me, it still counts as a hammer because it's got like a little bit of a candle body at the top. And just remember, candles will never be like exact, you know. You got to give them like a little bit of room to be themselves. But as we can see, I mean, the Harami here, oh, that was a very, very profitable little baby. We can see throughout its childhood it was cruising, and it took a bit of a turn in adolescence. It got into some drugs, but then it kicked the habit, it went to rehab, and boom, it became a doctor or a lawyer, and it went up past 100k to it. All-time highs on Bitcoin. Well done, little brother. Well done for kicking the cocaine, yeah? There's no need to put anything up your nose except oxygen. Alright, who's in the building? Please, if you're here, keep the chat hot. I can see we're pushing for 50 live across the platforms. And I can see 23 likes, so please, let's push it to that 100. I want to do a giveaway, y'all. I want to do a giveaway. Let's get it. This is one of the banger tracks in this playlist. Let me just check that we're on loop. Autoplay's off. We're good, we're good. Alright, let's just get back to the Bitcoin TA. So for the newbies, we were talking about drawing in support and resistance. So always just grab a trend line. Like first grab your brush and just say, okay, I can see there's like a lot of touch points there. And then, oh, it's a straight line. That means I can draw in a trend line. And then you see, oh, okay, here's another line here. Interesting. Oh, there's another line here. Interesting. And then you can start to see, oh, these are parallel, right? So then you pull out the parallel channel and you simply bring it from the bottom, boom, and you pull it up to the top. And then, of course, you can see that the most important line within a parallel channel is the median line, which is the middle of your parallel channel. Yes, I feel a bit bad when I do my British accent. I'm not being rude to the Brits. In fact, it is my absolute favorite accent. And one of my best mates that I met in Dubai, Mr. Pav_ETH. If you want some serious alpha, do follow him on Twitter. But he speaks like this and it makes me so happy every time I get a voice note from him. I just have this big smile on my face. So then I love to speak in a British accent. Oh, yeah. Let's take a second to appreciate the beats. Alright, so I hope the newbies are learning. And basically, every range is a gold mine. Right? We can talk about the previous value area range, which was an absolute gold mine. We were trading the top of the range. So we were selling the top, we were buying the bottom, and we were absolutely making bank in this range. And the learning here is that every range is a gold mine. Trade the range until it breaks. Right, so have a look here. You can treat this parallel channel as an upward sloping range. And as we can see here is where we first established the range. So of course we sold the resistance, we bought the support. We sold the resistance, we bought the support. We bought the support, we sold the resistance, and then this was where the range broke. And that's of course where you flip it and you trade the bearish divergence. And well done to everybody in my academy who did take this bearish divergence. And we can see that market Cipher B, I'm going to do a tutorial shortly after we finish with Bitcoin daily technical analysis. Yeah, the UK is like 5 countries combined. Yeah, it's true, like the next thing for me is to get better at the regional accents, because when I speak like this, I'm busy doing a whole bunch of regional accents in one, and I need to learn to be able to differentiate between my regional accents. And I must say, most of the comedy that I watch is British comedy, and that's why I've got it so stuck in my head. Alright, keep the chat hot if you are here. We're pushing for the 50 live. Let's go. We're 30 minutes into the stream, and oh dang, this is hard. Can you still hear my voice over this banger beat? But anyway, I want the beginners to my streams to start understanding these red lines, right? So let's have another question in the chat. What is a divergence? For the newbies, I use a divergence trading strategy so I can trade with the whales. I only trade anomalies on the charts. I don't want any time spent in a loss. I want to go straight into profit, and I want to make mad profits. I want to bank mad dollar, y'all. And the only way we do that is by using a divergence trading strategy. Reaper, let's fucking go. Alright, so what is a divergence? We can hear Gibson, thank you so much. What is a divergence? And if you're struggling, if I go too fast, I have turned low latency off and I have turned closed captions on. So let me know right now, are you able to turn the closed captions on? You should be able to turn the closed captions on and you should be able to read exactly what I'm saying. All right, we're about to do some learning here. What is divergence? Gibson, Coinrency, let's go. Tree Hubley, Ike, I know you all know this. Divergence and convergence. Yeah, exactly. So from physics, the word divergence does come from physics. And when something is divergent, it means that it's the two things are different, right? So in trading, we're always comparing two things. That's what trading is, right? Buying and selling one thing against the other. And when something is divergent, obviously it means they're moving apart. When something is convergent, it's converging, it means they're coming together. So OG in the building, Gibson has dropped us. Divergence is when the price of an asset moves in a different direction than a technical indicator. So what we use is called a wave trend divergence, and the easiest way to actually understand this is through the use of the RSI before you get into the OG market cipher indicator. And this is actually probably the best indicator that you can bring up as a newbie. All right, so let me just show you this indicator. Basically on TradingView, you just type RSI, but then instead of just taking the relative strength index, do you see that this indicator has 6,000 likes, right? Not as many as the OG 18, 19,000 likes on Market Cipher B, but 6,000 likes on TradingView is still something. It means 6,000 people have used this and made profit, because you're only gonna like an indicator after it's made you bank, right? So this is by Libertas. It's absolutely free. And you see here, it's relative strength index. But the most important thing about it is that it shows you the divergences. So it's really, really nice for a newbie because you don't have to learn to add the divergences in. Husseini, yes, indeed. CryptoFace is the creator of Fu Manchu, 100%. And he is the most profitable trader in the world. He trades $12 million per trade. Okay, so we're actually going to talk about RSI and stock strategy shortly. I have that on my list. It's going to be a long stream, y'all. I hope you've got your food. I've actually got a little bit of pizza here with me. I've got my drink here, so we're all good, right? We're here to stay. I'm here to spend time with my crew, and I'm here to teach. We're here to make bank. All right, taking notes. Let's go. All right, so newbies, let me know on TradingView. If you need TradingView, go to my YouTube. Go to my links. Even in the description of this video, I put my TradingView link. You will get a discount, but actually, you don't need the essential plan for this. You can see that I have the essential plan, which allows me only 5 indicators at a time and 25 alerts, but you don't need the essential plan for this indicator. And honestly, Matt, Leah, literally any newbies who are in the chat, I know we've got like serious newbies here. So yeah, please, Pumzile, bring up this indicator. Yeah, $12 million margin is not to be laughed at, right? All right, but as you can see here, this indicator actually shows you the divergences. And it's a stunning indicator, because not only is it showing you, okay, we're overbought, but it's also showing you exactly where to enter your trade. So for the newbies, I'm going to go a little bit slow today. I'm sorry, Andy, that we're not going super degen straight off the bat, but we'll do some degen trading just now. And basically what this is telling us, right, is that momentum has made a lower high, whilst price has very clearly made a higher high in this same time. I mean, it's clear as day, and like most of us traders won't need the indicator to actually fill in this for us, but as a newbie, and you can see I still use the RSI with divergences, because actually some of these you will miss, right? Some of these you won't notice, and this is just beautiful to be able to see here. I mean, this one was massive, and it was actually hard to figure out. Amazing indicator. Can you see here how price was higher than this, and this is almost like a hidden bearish divergence. It was actually difficult to spot. But both of these trades, never mind market Cipher B, simply on this indicator, you could have opened a short trade right here from resistance down to support, and that's a 7% that you've made on your Bitcoin, that you've outperformed the market. Then there was another one right here, which was the market Cipher B entry that we took in my trading academy, another 7% that you've made on your Bitcoin by shorting the market, right? The market's going down, everyone's freaking out in panic, and you're making bank. That's the way we do it. All right, is everyone still alive? We're 40 minutes in. If you're alive, drop me a message in the chat. Ika's enjoying it. Let's go. Ika, I love your energy. All right, use RSI and Fibonacci best indicators. 100%. 100%. And right now I'm going to talk about, before you even go into VMC, Fibonacci, I want you to first learn to use the RSI. And then after you learn to use the RSI and the parallel channel, support and resistance, I want you to use the fixed range volume profile. So already, Matt, this is repetition, and repetition is how we learn. We are basically monkeys. We learn through doing. We are not parrots, right? But we are monkeys, and we learn through doing. So Matt, I hope you have your trading view charts open, and I hope that you're actually like doing the stuff with me, because that is how you learn. So you can even just take the YouTube live, put it on your mobile, put it to the side, and then open up your charts on your PC screen and start to learn to trade and learn to chart along with us. Hey, do I see big dreams in the house? Let's go, Mr. Korsu, our man in Gambia. And I'm coming, bro. I've decided I'm coming to Gambia to visit. I have decided I'm going to Kenya, I'm going to Zanzibar, I'm going to Ethiopia. I'm going to see my crew, and hopefully to Nigeria. Alright, so the next one I want to talk about quickly is the fixed range volume profile. And I know everyone on YouTube just wants me to quickly tell you where Bitcoin's gonna go. But that's not me, that's not how I do it. I teach you to analyze for yourselves so that you can open your own channel, so that you can teach the world bit by bit, right? So that you don't need me, you can trade on your own. Because literally, teach a man to fish and he will be fed for the rest of his life. Give a man a fish and he will eat for one night, right? We're getting biblical. Teach a man to fish and he'll feed his family for the rest of his life. And that's what I like to do. I like to teach y'all to fish on the charts. A little bit of generic EDM. Let's go. All right, so the fixed range volume profile is this weird looking thing right here. You can see it is my #1 favorite indicator. It's the first thing I do when I get to the charts. And I have learned this from Jason Casper. Jason Casper is my absolute idol, even above Crypto Face, because he has more of a love for community. And he is actually, one of my friends, one of my mates. And I'll show you here in front of 3,000 people. He actually shouted me out. Oh, the other night, and it was so awesome. I actually have him in DM, and it's just, when your idols, when the people that you've grown up watching, learning to trade, acknowledge you, it's just the greatest thing in the world. All right, is everybody alive? Drop me an alive message if you're still here. I see we're pushing 60 across the platforms. We're doing well. We're only on 26 likes, right? Let's hit that 100. So please do invite your friends, invite your family. Let's try get to that 100 likes. All right, thank you everybody for being here. All right, so fixed range volume profile, very, very easy to use. All you do is you come to the indicators and you type FRVP and you select the fixed range volume profile. It's actually a trading view indicator and it's totally free. You don't need a professional account. All you need is the normal account, and you just pull it out from left to right, all the way to the top. Costly in the building. Struggling on Twitter. What's happening on Twitter? Elon, come on. Elon, come on. What's happening on Twitter? Costly, what was the problem on Twitter? We should be live on Twitter too. But anyway, I'm glad you're in YouTube, because this is where the fun is at. Ike is alive. Husseini's alive. WACO, smash the like button. Yeah, we're not doing well. Okay, we're on 26. So we're 1/4 there, peeps. We're 1/4 to the giveaway. Come on. And I'll show you, actually, I told you I got a little surprise for the crew. I have here a whole bunch of devices that I've gone and purchased. You can see here I've got a Techno 10 Spark, which is like a pretty cool device. It's got 12 gigabytes of 128 gigs of space. It's got 8 gigs of RAM, so you can trade on this phone. I've also got a Smart Tab 8 right here. And I want to give these devices away to my community, to empower my community. I just need to think of how to do the giveaways, right? I'm thinking like maybe if we get to 1,000 subs, I'll do a giveaway or something like that. So just let me know in the chat, do you have any ideas for how I can give away these devices? Because yeah, I just want to empower the community, right? I mean, I'm being given awesome stuff. I've got a brand new Jambo Web3 phone here. I've got my other BitMobile Web3 phone here. So I'm good. I don't need more devices. You know, I've got my iPad, I've got my MacBook Pro, I got all this stuff. We're all good. So I've gone and got some devices now for the crew. I just need to know how to give them away. All right, so let me do this again. And I actually have a cool device that was given to me to share with the crew. It's called a Cooties. Has anybody heard of a Cooties? And it might just be a game changer for traders. So here it is. I haven't unboxed it yet because I want to do like an unboxing video because I really want to support the company. They've given me this device, which is like $300, I think. But basically, what a Cooties is it's a ring. Right? But what the ring does is it'll pop up on your trading view and it will tell you your heart rate. It will tell you literally how many hours you've slept. It will pop up with you need sleep, or you're in a state of panic, or you're in a state of anxiety. So it's actually a tool for traders, and it's not a watch, it's a ring. And it's a rose gold ring. It's really, really beautiful. So it's like fashionable too, but it's such an awesome thing for traders because it actually lets you know, like, it'll say like stop trading, you're in panic, or you're being greedy, like watch out, your heart rate is too high. It will say like you're not in the right state to trade or something like that. So I think it's really powerful. Gibson says, give me Jambo. So Jambo is actually quite affordable, but Gibson, you've still got your device coming to you. I just need to really kick the BitMobile team in the butt and send your devices to you. I'm pushing to send 5 devices to you. And then you'll be an affiliate for BitMobile and you'll be able to, sell the devices at basically half price to your community. Yeah, it's like the Samsung Ring, except it's more aimed at crypto traders, which is so, so cool. Most active of the year. Wow, how do I figure that out? I'll definitely bring some gifts. I'll bring so much merch when I come in April. Ike, don't worry. What do you think about helping me to get to 1,000 subs? When I get to 1,000 subs, I give away a few devices. Alright, so let me just pop this up for the crew so that you understand. Right, we're doing a giveaway at 100 likes. Where are we at? 27. Come on, y'all. Come on. Okay, so we're going so slowly today. I'm going to bring up the fixed range volume profile again. And it takes time to understand like where the range is and where you should pull out the fixed range volume profile. But this is what you got community for, right? You got me here to help you. And there we go. We pull it out. Literally, this is like what I've established. And I can get into why I've established pulling it out from here. Basically, I can see this wick here, which is really, really important. Whenever you see a wick on the chart, it means that there was a major significant level there, right? Because a lot of money went out and in very quickly. So I like to include the last biggest wick. So that's why, I know this information is important because it's a trading range. And don't let me confuse the newbies. The fixed range volume profile is an easy thing to learn. The only difficult thing about it is learning like where is the range. And believe me, it's not going to take you long to figure out like this is the range right here. All right, but for now, you can use my points of interest, which are basically right here. You click once, you pull it out above price and to the right. And you need to do this every day because it will change. All right, let me take out these yellow lines so I don't confuse the crew. Should I start rapping? Should we do a little freestyle? Yeah. All right, Jordan, is the mobile now available? Yeah, so I don't know why they're being so slow. But yeah, no, I think it is available. So just pop me a DM and remind me and we'll sort it out. All right, random roll at 1,000 subs. Yeah, I think 1,000 subs, we're going to give away a tablet and a device. We're at like 630 now, so help me get there. And we're going to roll. I love this idea. I just don't know how to make it fair to figure out who the most active of the year is. Alright, so as you can see, what the fixed range volume profile does is it first gives you a blue line here, and it gives you a blue line here, and it gives you your POC here. Let me know if your fixed range volume profile looks different to mine. I think somewhere along the line I did change the settings slightly, only on the style. So like take out the developing POC and take out the developing VA because those will only confuse you. And then don't change anything else. And then I just changed these to blue because I like them to be blue. And I changed the POC to white because I like it to be white. But other than that, yeah, it's very simple. All right, so what it shows you, and the reason you have to pull it out all the time is because it changes. So originally our value area high was literally incorporating all of these tops and it was incorporating all of these lows. We can see now that the value area is widening. But not by that much, right? This is all still value area high of the range. The Vahor. This is still value area low of the range, which is Valerie. Treat her well and she will return the favor. All right, and basically this is where we look for shorts, right? That's the position of power to the downside. This is where we look for longs. This is the position of power to the upside. And according to the market Cipher B strategy, let's start with a little bit of strategy here. And as I said, originally the value area high was including these tops and it was including these bottoms. And basically you have a look at where the bearish divergences come in on the wave trend, and I'm going to do a little bit of strategy on this now. Just after I finish with Bitcoin, I know we're going very slow, but basically you look for the bearish divergences, and when they print, you just make sure that you're actually at value area high, and that was value area high, so we smashed the short. I'm not going to talk about hedge trading strategy now, I'm going to do that in a bit. But here was another bearish divergence. We smashed the short because it was above value area high of the range. Right? Here was another bearish divergence. We smashed the short because it was above value area high of the range. Then we got the bullish divergence below the value area low of the range and we smashed the long. Then we got the bullish... this indicator is money on money on money. It's insane. Then we got the bearish divergence. Literally hidden bearish divergence. Not in the value, well, pretty much wick up to the value area high. I mean, scalpers are making bank. Look at that. We got the short 30%. And then we got the bullish divergence of all bullish divergences. Boom, right here. Boom. And that's where we got our 100% trade on Bitcoin on spot, which on a 50x is a 5,000% ROI given to us by market Cipher B. So thank you to CryptoFace for creating the best indicator in the world, and thank you for making it free. If you're not subbed to CryptoFace's channel, please do. I don't actually watch his videos, to be honest. I watch Jason Casper because I prefer his community-based outlook, and he's actually my mate, so I like to support him. And he's at about $600,000 per trade. So it's like a little bit more relatable to me, right, than a $12 million per trade kind of guy. Highest trading volume with Link. Interesting. Royal should be of help. He knows how to get the most active. Yeah, so this is not for the Bybit South African community, right? This is for my community. This is for my YouTube channel, and this is for my trading academy. So completely separate to the Bybit South African community. This giveaway is for you guys who are here, you guys and girls. Alright, so this is a major, beautiful, beautiful question, Gibson. Thank you for being the OG in the community, bro. And yeah, right now, this is the question, right? So of course, we weren't surprised at all. What did I just do? We weren't surprised at all when we started to dump here. Because as we can see by the RSI, our momentum was consistently going down, while our price was consistently going up. And I kept telling y'all, you know, this is the CME gap. And the CME gap is our first target for the bears. And everybody was freaking out. Everybody was panicking. And like, honestly, it's absolutely fucking ridiculous. How can you freak out when Bitcoin drops 10%, 15%, after pumping 105%? Like, it makes no sense to me. This industry is cooked. This industry is just FOMO. Everybody going long here, getting wrecked and crying. Literally, there was $1 billion liquidated from the market. And it's like, I mean, I don't want to be rude, but it's almost like they deserve to be liquidated at that point, right? Because, I mean, how silly do you have to be to leverage into a long trade up here? You're literally at the end of the trend. Like, it's literally told you that we reached the top on RSI. We started coming down. Momentum is coming out of the market and people are FOMOing into longs. I'm sorry to swear, but it's fucking ridiculous. Who agrees with me? Like, just be realistic, right? Don't FOMO like after the pump. Like, wait for the next pump. Use the indicators. Get in early. Get in on the alpha. And you know, luckily for us, we're already in the long trades. Mischief managed, all good. But the first sign that everything was going to come crashing down was right here, when we got the bearish divergence right at the top. Like, if you look back in time, when we get a bearish divergence right at the top, Bitcoin dumps. This is not something new. This is what Bitcoin does. And the last one was 30%. And honestly, I think this could be a fake bounce. Like, yes, we've got the Harami. Yes, we've got like a nice big hammer, maybe Morningstar. But honestly, I think this could be a fake bounce. Because like, there's no real volume. Like, where we bounced from, there's no real volume, according to the fixed range volume profile. And like, the only real support that we have is literally, I mean, it's all the way down here. It's all the way at 68k. So just take note, realistically, if people start to capitulate, right? If there really is war, like Russia is threatening and all this stuff, and we get black swan events, capitulation basically means where all of these like silly traders who FOMO in are going to start selling their entire portfolios. Like, everyone who bought Bitcoin above 100k, if we drop below 90k, they're all going to freak out. They're going to sell their whole portfolios, and we're going to hit the CME gap, right? Which is calling us. And because we're going slow today, I'm going to show you exactly what the CME gap means. For those of you who are new to the stream, for most of you, this will be super boring. So go grab a cup of tea or whatever you need. But basically, the CME gap is the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, which was the first ETF. It wasn't even called an ETF. But Chicago is so ahead of their time that they were actually... And Gibson, I'm still doing your answer, bro. I'm still doing your answer. So CME, Chicago Mercantile Exchange, was the first non-crypto exchange to offer Bitcoin trading, right? And to get their chart, it's called the BTC1 exclamation mark chart. BTC1 exclamation mark. It's a really weird ticker, but as you can see, okay, so basically, because it's an exchange, a stock exchange, and not a crypto exchange, they can only trade during the week. So over the weekend, we get these gaps in the chart. And because we were pumping so hard on this weekend, we left a big gap. And I've done this before, so I hope you're grabbing a cup of tea if you're an OG. But basically, every gap, if you go back and have a look, like every gap gets filled. Right, and it can be a little bit dirty, gaps like to be filled, whatever. But the main thing is here that these CME gaps, I think it's something like a 98% win rate on these gaps. So you see a gap was created here. Very similar. Are y'all seeing just how similar this pattern is to what we're seeing right now? Fake pump, maybe dump back below to actually fill the CME gaps. Everyone focusing. Oh, this is a very similar chart. All the way back at 40k. And yeah, the further back you go, the more you see, like here was a CME gap, here it was filled very quickly. And it's time and time again, like it literally never stops. So this was the one, sorry, my nose is itchy. My mustache tickles my nose when I talk. It's a curse. Alright, so here you can see a CME gap. And this one actually took a long time to fill. But indeed, it did fill. How long did this take? Yo, almost a year. So we can FOMO for a long time. But honestly, I do see this gap being filled eventually. Alright, so I hope everybody understands. And I don't really know why. Is it just because like traders are using this as a target? If anyone can give me the insight into why the CME gaps get filled, I would love that. And we can actually see here, you know, very recently there was this little gap that got filled. Like how beautiful. It's such a nice insight into the charts. Okay, we're doing well on Bitcoin, y'all. So Gibson's beautiful question, can we reach the value area high line again? So basically this whole area here is value area high of the range. And it's basically where you look for shorts. It's your position of power for the shorts. And Gibson, yes, bro. The answer to your question is 100% yes. Have we got another Jordan in the chat? Oh, what's up, my G? Lovely to see you, bro. Is this tall Jordan? Is this tall blonde Jordan? Oh, lovely to see you, bro. We have literally a meme coin OG. So let us know if you have any alpha on the memes. And let me just go through the chat. We're an hour in, so we need to give our brain a little bit of a break. We'll have a little bit of a rant just now. Patrick, do you think altcoins would do the same with Bitcoin? Would do same with Bitcoin. Always, brother. Always. Bitcoin is the king and it leads the pack. But what you need to remember is the Bitcoin dominance cheat sheet. And I actually have it here on my list. We're going to talk about how to understand the Bitcoin dominance ratio. But yes, altcoins will always follow Bitcoin. So if you see a Bitcoin pump, make sure you're not shorting the alts. It's that simple. Yeah, I know the FOMO is bloody ridiculous in this market, yeah? Ciao, grazie. Grazie mille. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining. I need to learn a new Italian word. Every stream I learn a new Italian word. So what's the word that you're teaching me today? Teach me a trading term. What is support? What is support in Italian? Let's go. The crew is hot. Look at this. We got WACO from Italy. Aika from Italy. We got Grazia from Italy. Beautiful. Who's the goat? Who's the goat? Airmons in the building. Alright, so Airmons, please open up the Discord. Go to live stream charts in the Discord and drop for me your alpha. I want to be looking at the crew's charts in a bit. Morpheus, CME gaps often get filled because they represent price levels where trading activity is absent and market participants tend to revisit these levels to balance supply and demand, ensuring liquidity. Bro, you just taught me something. Thank you, you just taught me something. Jordan, my namesake. What's up, bro? Let me know if you want to grab a beer later or something. I need some social interaction outside of this trading studio. Efficient price discovery. Morpheus, how are you? What? 22 years old and teaching me so much. 10 years my junior. Aldo taught me this. Alright, where's Aldo? Somebody bring Aldo into the building. Supporto! Oh, that's easy. Okay, so what's resistance? Resistancy. Alright, thank you everybody for being here. I hope you've been learning something. And right now, let's just have a chat. How's everybody feeling? Like, just drop me your basic sentiment in the crew. Alright, let me just finish off my Bitcoin analysis. But just drop me how you're feeling. Are you winning? Are you losing? Let's just have a little bit of a chat. But Gibson, alright, so what Gibson was asking is, can we revisit this level, right? Which is the bottom of the value area high. This level right here. So first, the CME gap is calling, right? And I like to draw a magnet in here. Oh my gosh, my drawing is terrible today. But here is a magnet which is literally pulling price down. Because as we now know, supply and demand needs to be balanced, right? For healthy liquidity. Oh, you learn something every day from your crew. Thank you, Morpheus. And thank you to the OG Aldo for teaching amazing stuff. Resistancy. Resistanzo. Alright, I'm bullish on altcoins and a lot of willing trades this week. I've been seeing, Patrick, you've been absolutely killing it. And I'm also bullish as long as this isn't a fake pump, right? So just remember that the actual support is here. So literally, if we draw a rectangle. Alright, so I want to be very clear here with everybody. Have a look where the real volume is sitting. So whenever you use the fixed range volume profile, right, you pull it out like this and you draw the lines, you draw them out. And as we can see, this is literally the Burj Khalifa right here of volume, right? This is the kind of volume we should be seeing. This is nothing. There has not been a lot of volume traded up at 100K. And I always like to draw in the climber because price right now is hanging on for absolute dear life, right? Where is price? We're all the way up here and it's literally on the overhang, right? This is the climber and he's looking down and he's shit scared, right? Because if he drops, he's not even going to be able to grab on here. He's not even going to be able to grab on here. He's literally going to fall and he's going to get very, very injured all the way at the bottom. Are y'all hearing me? So the major support, and Jason Casper totally backed this up for me. I was in his stream and I said, yo, Jay, major support at 68K, question mark. And he said 100% brother, POC is 68K. Major support for Bitcoin right now is 68K. No doubt about it. We've heard from the OG, Mr. Jason Casper, right? Much more advanced trader than myself. Okay, so Gibson is asking, can we reach this level? The first level that we need to break is, of course, this, like, basically this order block here. So you see how volume has come out to a certain level there. So I'll just pull out another green box. And as you can see, that was directly the target that the bears took. And the place that the bulls decided to get in, because this is literally the OB, right? It's the order block. It's literally the place where price took off. It's the bull flag. It's all of that. It is the liquidity. Morpheus, the link to the Discord is in my YouTube. And actually, it should be down at the bottom of the description of this video. All right, we're pushing 65 viewers across the platforms. What are the likes? We're at 31. Come on, y'all. We got the magic number of 69 likes to go to the giveaway. Please, let's go. I want to do a giveaway. Okay, so Gibson, to answer your question, I do believe this was a bit of a front run, right? When we see a front run, we can be worried, or we can expect that price might come to actually create a candle body here or close some candles in this liquidity zone, because it literally just tipped it. And most likely it was a small golden pocket area. Let's just have a look. I'm going to start speeding up a little bit. So as you can see, this was the exact golden pocket. Fibonacci, of course. The Italians know it all, right? The best mathematician to have ever lived was an Italian, and his name was Fibonacci. Sorry, I'm actually pronouncing that wrong. It's probably Fibonacci, right? Not Fibonacci, it's Fibonacci. Because Italians always put the emphasis on the first syllable, if I'm correct. Alright, so I just want to show the crew how I pulled this out. So basically, this is what we call a micro Fibonacci, because it's not the Fibonacci on the whole trend, but it's the Fibonacci on the trend from here to here. So basically, we see that price took a handbrake turn here, and it turned around and it found support and it created this channel. So when we're looking at retracements, we take the Fibonacci retracement tool. Fibonacci, not Fibonacci, Fibonacci. We take the Fibonacci retracement tool and we just pull it out from the bottom to the top. And then if you're new to Fibonacci, you need to understand that between the 0.618 and the 0.786 is known as the golden pocket. And as we can see, this was, I mean, I'm actually kicking myself for not getting this long trade because, yeah, this is perfect. I mean, it's perfection. There is nothing better than maths, right? Maths runs the world, and the golden ratio runs the world, not just trading. The golden ratio is the reason for photosynthesis. It's the reason for the fractalized nature of reality. Let's not get too deep. All right, so to Matt, if you're still alive, if you're still watching, brother, your Fibonacci retracement, like to make it a bit more simple, just any newbie, right? Bring up the settings of your Fibonacci retracement. So all you do is try to draw it in like I've drawn it. And if it's not on your favorites, you'll need to come find it. But basically, it'll be under these indicators here. You'll find your Fibonacci retracement. And you see how well it is used, that there's actually a keyboard shortcut. Alt F goes straight to Fibonacci. Fibonacci. And yeah, all you need to do is just pull it out randomly, like wherever you want, and then click on a line, and then right click, and then go to settings. And I want you to take out all of the inputs, right? Except for the 1, the 0.618, the 0.382, and the 0.786. The invite link to your Discord is not working. Oh, it might have expired. 1 second. Alright, I'll drop it shortly. I'll drop it when we're going to get into the Discord charts, and then you can quickly drop your charts. Weird. It might have expired. They do expire, so I'll have to redo it. Hey, Matt still? Yeah, let's go, my brother. Feel free to hop off at any time, bro. These streams are long. So, yeah, all good. Who's in the building still? Ike is here. I love the Fibonacci. Nice, Patty. I use it to determine premium and discount prices. Let's go. Yeah, so one of the reasons I didn't ape into my altcoin trades much, I did add to my trades in the dip, and I did open new trades in the dip, but I didn't really ape into anything because a lot of the coins didn't come down to the golden pocket, and they didn't come down to oversold on the daily RSI. So I'm very excited to actually get into the alpha. I can see everybody is just concentrating. Invite link above. Alright, so let's finish off Bitcoin. Hey, Amana in the building. Amana, who's the artist of the Take Profit song? I want to play it. I want to play it loud. Alright, so there we go. I showed you the inputs. You can always come back and replay the stream, but basically you just want the 0.382, you want the 0.618, you want the 0.786, and you want the 1 level, because there is this thing called Elliott wave theory, and it's absolutely beautiful, and it tells us that if we lose the golden pocket, we can see we got a beautiful textbook golden pocket bounce of 8%. Absolutely lovely. But if we lose the golden pocket, we're likely to come down and hit the 1 level. And this is what we call an Elliott wave. Can you see how this literally resembles a wave? So cool. And then very often the Elliott wave will actually go right back up to its top. Yeah, it's an awesome strategy, and do check it out on Bybit Learn if you don't know about Elliott wave. But of course, that is what we call the micro Fibonacci. So to be actual technical traders, we also need to pull out the Fibonacci on the larger trend. And what's really uncanny at the moment is we see the POC is sitting inside the golden pocket, y'all. So Gibson, to finally answer your question, yes, it is possible that we come down to visit this level, but first we need to, of course, lose this level with candle bodies. We need to go down to the CME gap. We then need to hit the value area high, and then likely we'll see the POC, and the POC is the point of control, because from there it will control the narrative of what happens next. And I'm just honestly, like, I don't want to be the bear or whatever. I love Bitcoin, but this is unhealthy, right? Down to a golden pocket and a bounce. That would be healthy market structure. And what I really want is serious blood. I want the weak hands to be shaken out. I want the paper hands to be burnt. And I want us to come all the way back down here to the juice level at the value area low. Because look what needs to happen on Market Cipher, and it's already happening. So basically what needs to happen on Market Cipher, this is what we want, right? We want triple bullish divergences, and we want to go to the moon again, and we want to get in on those trades. Let me get rid of this banner for now. See where the likes are. The likes are crawling, y'all. We're only on 32, so invite your friends and your family. We smashed 50 last time. Is 100 too high? What's happening? We need to get to 100 for giveaway. Let's do it. Let's do it. Alright, but basically things are looking good on Market Cipher. Right? The petrol station pie. We've had the third section, which is always where money flow starts to move down. And for the OGs, for the experienced traders in the building, this is for you. So you can switch off for 1 minute, Mad Hill. Take a break. But for the experienced traders in the building, I want you to start understanding money flow. Because this indicator, as we know, is created by the most profitable crypto trader in the world. And the strategy that we're using now is the wave trend. You know, the divergences on the wave trend, where the wave trend is giving lower highs, but our price is going to higher highs. But actually, the OG who created this indicator always says that the first thing that he will look at is the money flow. Because more importantly than anything else, oh, I love the energy. 100 is too small. Come on, I really want to do a giveaway. Let's hit that 100. Just like drop it in your communities, drop it in DMs, invite your friends, send it on WhatsApp, whatever you need to do. Our likes are crawling, and if you are watching, smash the like button. Oh, Zyder's here. What's up, Mr. Valentine? Lovely to have you. Active. Let's go. Yeah, Morpheus is a Nigerian from our crew. Alright, keep the chat hot, y'all. Okay, so for the OGs, this is a little bit more experienced. But what I want you to note on the money flow is, of course, you know, when it's above here, when it's green, is where the money flow is green. That's when it's going up. When the money flow is in the red is actually where you're looking for your longs. You look for your longs when money flow is in the red. See that? That's where you look for your longs. And when money flow is in the green, you look for your shorts. But not at the beginning of the pattern. So money flow always creates this. I always get confused between convex and concave. Let's just see here. Which is which? Alright, convex. Alright, so what we have here is a convex pattern. And this is always what is created by money flow. And actually we can see it was more simple here before everyone was FOMOing in. All right, so what I want to show you is this. You see, this is the convex pattern. Is everyone following? And actually, you know, this is what I used to teach. Like, this is the nature of human emotion. It's an S shape. Like, someone bring up the market cheat sheet. I'll actually bring it up. Oh, market emotion cheat sheet. So for the new Wall Street cheat sheet. So for the newbies, this is like super important. And this is, why is it so small? All right, so this is the nature of human emotion, and this is exactly what runs our whole market, right? First, you have hope. Everyone's like, yeah, Bitcoin's gonna make me rich. Then you have optimism because they're in profits, and everyone's like, wow, Bitcoin really is gonna make us rich. Then you get like full-on belief, and they're like, okay, cool, I'm gonna put all my savings in there. I'm in 100% profit, let's go. And then you start to get this feeling of like a thrill. Like literally like you're on a drug, like you're on ecstasy or something. And then you get this euphoria. And what's so interesting is that most of the market will only enter here when the OG investors are already feeling euphoric. Which is so sad, because always the newbies will get wrecked. And it's school fees, it's time in the market to understand that you do not enter in euphoria, right? You enter ahead of the time, and that's what the word alpha really means. Right, then you get complacency where, you know, these euphoric traders start to get into a loss. And you get anxiety where everyone's like, what should I do? I made a bad decision. Then you get denial where they're like, you know what, it's fine. Like in the long term, everything will be okay. And then you start to get panic where they're like, shit, everyone is selling. I don't want to lose everything. I've already lost 70%. I don't want to lose the last 30%. And then you get capitulation, which is where people sell their entire portfolio, right? And then you get anger and depression. And then it all just starts again. Disbelief, hope, optimism. So yeah, it's a really brutal cycle, and you just don't want to be on the wrong side of this. And actually, it's just this shape, right? Over and over again, it's this shape. This is the depression, then this is the hope, this is the optimism, this is the euphoria. Then you get the panic and anxiety, and the whole thing just starts again. And like, it's all just fractalized. As you can see, it's constantly happening. Money flows out, money flows in, money flows out, money flows in, money flows out, money flows in. I think that's gonna be the start of my rap song. I'm busy writing a rap song at the moment, because I was very inspired by the Take Profits song. Take profits, money flows out, money flows in, take profits. So yeah, I'm getting there. Amazing sheet, never seen it. Let's go. And you know what, I don't mind that the viewers are low today. Like, I'm not dropping signals, and that's why the views aren't high, because everybody just wants me to tell them long now on 100x, and that's not what it is. We're here to learn. Mr. McCall, what's up, my brother? Lovely to have you. Alright, so I just want to finish off on this learning because, I mean, this is really important. It's absolutely uncanny. I really want to do a giveaway, y'all, so I'm going to bring up this banner again. See where the likes are now. 33, let's go. Come on, 67 likes, we can do it, Alright, so the teaching that I really want to do now. I know we're taking it slow today, so feel free to hop off if you're saturated. Alright, so the convex shape that we were talking about now on Market Cipher B. See the convex, right? And you heard Bitman teaching this if you're in the crew. But basically, we split it into three parts, equal thirds. Just imagine it's a pie. Do you see how it looks like a greasy pie? And then imagine you're buying that pie with 3 friends, right? The money flow is 3 parts. So you split it into 3. And every single time on the third part is where it will turn around. And you see how it's directly correlated to this price action. And right here at the third part is where it turned around. Money flow started going up. And it's quite difficult to understand because actually, you know, this is the crossover that you need to be aware of. Like, that's the beautiful, beautiful confirmation of the trade. That actually where you get into the trade is here at the third part of the pie. And it's literally like every single time. So here's the pie, right? 1, 3. So there are the 3 parts of the pie. There's the bearish divergence. There's the dip. Is everyone with me? We can move forward. We can see here. Right, here's the money flow pie. We split it into thirds. Here's the third part of the pie. There is where Bitcoin dumped. It's really, really cool. And I know I've been taking it slow with Market Cipher B, but y'all are ready for money flow. So let me know in the chat, did anybody understand the money flow 3-part pie? Does everybody understand the money flow, what I just explained? Following. Issues with verification. Alright, just pop it to me in DM and I'll help you through, my brother. Yeah, I think views are low literally because everyone just shat themselves when Bitcoin dumped. And it's like, it's so terrible. Like, now is when we need to work. Now is when we have our biggest opportunities. Everybody leaves. It's like, it actually just gives me no sympathy, literally. Like, if you're gonna just FOMO in after the fact, then like, get wrecked. But for you who are here, congratulations, crew. You're doing the hard work, right? You're doing the hard work when things are bloody, and that's the vibe. Patrick, not really understood. Oh my god. Mr. Ronish in the building. No stress, my brother. We've done a lot. We've done 1 hour and 23 minutes on Bitcoin. But yeah, I know we've still got some really interesting stuff to go, so no stress. Okay, so it seems I'm going to have to do a few more sessions on money flow. Ah, Mind Healing got it. Okay, let me just show you again very, very quickly. Okay, so on your Market Cipher B, go to my last live stream if you need the settings and find the settings and make it look like mine. But basically, this red here is money flow at the bottom, money flow in the red. Alright, this green is money flow in the green. And then we have what's called a convex shape. Always, money flow creates a convex shape. And convex basically means it's like a U. It's just like a U shape. Or like an N shape, basically, right? And then what you do is you draw out that convex shape and you split it into 3 parts. And then at the end of the second part is where money flow turns around. So you can see here it was a great place to go long. And then the confirmation of the long is where money flow crosses over from red to green. And then it starts the convex shape in green. And then you split it into 3 parts. And at the start of the third part is where we got our bearish divergence. And there you can see that's where money flow turned around. Okay, so I'm not going to spend too much more time on this. Try to rewatch it if you didn't understand. And like I said, it is for the experienced traders. So really just don't stress if you don't understand it. Okay, we've done Bitcoin on the daily. We've spoken about the POC. We've spoken about the juice level. We've spoken about what I'm expecting and what I'm hoping for. I'm going to do a very, very quick Market Cipher B tutorial, because I want to drill it into you so that you can make cash. Oh, let's go, Mr. John. Wait, is John Destiny? I'm confused. Is John Destiny? What? Amazing. I didn't know Destiny was John. That's crazy. Money flow seems cool. Yeah, for you, Costly, as a scalper, it is absolutely essential. Yes, I'm glad it's getting through to some of us. Siakuzwa! What does it mean? What does Siakuzwa mean? But thank you, because it seems like good energy. Does it work the same way on all time frames? Yeah, 100%. But like just start on the daily, and I'll show you on some altcoins, like it's crazy profitable. There we go. Now the likes are pumping. We're almost at 40, y'all. I believe in you. I believe in you for this giveaway at 100 likes. I would not set that goal if I do not think it is doable. John might be Ronnie. No, John's not Ronnie because John is here. And then Ronnie's here. But is Destiny John? I'm confused. Alright, anyway, I'm going to do a very quick Market Cipher B strategy tutorial. Money flow is life, indeed. So there's a really beautiful CryptoFace short on money flow where he says, the first thing I bring up onto the charts is money flow because it's not about whether the dumb money or the smart money is coming in or out. It's simply about whether the money is coming in or out. And he literally says, like, the first thing he puts on his charts is the money flow. So I know it's confusing and it's complex. It's for the OGs. But that's why I drill it in. And that's why I repeat these things. Matt, are you alive, bro? We're going to be going for, like, probably another hour and a half. So you're very welcome. Yeah, I literally think John is Destiny. That's crazy. You're welcome to hop off, my brother. Okay. Follow where the money is. Let's go. All right, are you alive? Is everybody ready for a quick Market Cipher B strategy tutorial? All right, so basically for Market Cipher B, you just need to type in VMC into the indicators. And you need to pull up your Fu-Manchu Cipher B with divergences. You can see it has now broken 19,000 likes. So if you do enjoy it, please give it a like. And I don't know how to like it. I honestly don't know how to like it. Like, how do we like it? Oh, here we go. Alright, so please give it a like. Give it a like. As you can see, people have been liking it since 2019. So please, if you're using it, give it a like because it's OG. Not alive enough. Now we are... Oh, what? Now here's Destiny hopping in. Okay, no, I was right. So John is different, but Destiny is here. His Google account was logged into my phone, switch back to my Gmail. Awesome, bro. Lovely to have you, Destiny. And I know you got the alpha calls, so let us know. Matt's still here on a Saturday. You could be at the beach drinking margaritas in Camps Bay. I'm proud of you, brother. I'm proud of you, and we're not going to be that much longer. No, it's more funny than anything else. Don't worry. And I'm just really proud of the crew for being here. I hope... Oh, there we go. Destiny isn't John. Costly knows. Alright, alright. Okay, Market Cipher B strategy. This is probably the most important part of the whole stream. So everybody focus. And then we're going to get into some fun alpha, some fundamental analysis. We're going to take a bit of a chill. Okay, so once again, all you need to do is type in VMC. This indicator is completely free. It's the Fu-Manchu Cipher B with divergences. And then you need to come to the settings and head into my Discord to see the settings. But basically, they should look like this. I will quickly just bring it up onto my screen so that you can re-watch. And if you want to screenshot... Take one screenshot now. Okay, take another screenshot now. And that's it. Another screenshot now, and you're sorted. Alright, so most of us in this crew now know that we are dealing with the divergences. So you just need to look out for these red lines. Or these green lines, and basically the way we do it is we click on the dot, we right click, we go to settings, we right click and we go to add alert, and then we simply set the alerts for this one, the buy big green circle plus the div, and this is basically our go sign. And we also set the alert for the sell big red circle plus the div. And this is what you can re-watch if you really want to understand. My editor is working on the video, but it's taking us time because I'm really trying to make it a course. It's my first Academy course video. So it's taking us time because I really want it to be super professional. But you'll see here that I actually have my alert set. And when you set the alert, make sure to pull out the expiration date as far as you can. But you can see right here, I have my short set on BTC. I also have my long set on BTC. And when I get that alert, the next thing I will look for is price above or below value area high? So you have to set your fixed range volume profile. And then like I said, the fixed range volume profile was a bit lower before, and all of these signals did come in. And yeah, they were all beautiful trades. All of these signals did come in. They were all beautiful, beautiful trades. And this last trade was 100% up on Bitcoin. Absolutely zero drawdown, no stop losses hit. I mean, this is the best indicator out there. And as you can see, I've been using this indicator for a while now, and you can see, there we go, a win rate. I have won the last 48 trades on copy trading. I have not lost one trade, right? That's the kind of win rate that we want to see, y'all. Okay, that's it. That's all we're doing on Market Cipher B. Okay, so let me just go through my notes to see what I wanted to share with the crew today. And in the chat, just let me know what you want to do, because we've done a lot of what I want to do. And of course, I'm here for the crew. I wanted to talk about the Warren Buffett strategy. All right, so let's quickly talk about the Warren Buffett strategy. Gibson, I know you're always the one to drop it. But Gibson, for the crew, drop for me in the building. I know you have it saved. What is the unbreakable, the bulletproof Warren Buffett strategy for investing in any new market? And Matt, for you, this is extremely important as a newcomer to the crypto industry. Yeah, the win rate is cool. We're doing it. We're doing it, y'all. Could you do an audio recording of the Market Cipher B? I want to play it on repeat as a song. That is such a good idea, brother. I'm going to create a rap about the Market Cipher B strategy. Okay, let's go. Let's go. That is like the coolest idea I've heard in a long time. MCB rap. Beautiful, bro. Money flows in and out. Yeah, Market Cipher B is the only strategy that you need. Yeah, money flows in, money flows out. Don't get caught out. If you wanna be a goat, make sure you follow our strat from start to finish, y'all. Alright, here we go. Warren Buffett strategies. Number 1, DCA. Number 2, buy the dips. Number 3, ladder entries. So let's first talk about Bitcoin. Alright, so number 1 is DCA, right? And you can literally come on Bybit. On Bybit, you come here to tools, you come to trading bot, and you come to DCA bot, and you set up a bot. And I've made $10,000 on these bots. They're absolutely beautiful. All you need to do is set up a bot to buy Bitcoin for you every single day for $1 or every week for $10, however you want to set it up. But a dollar cost averaging strategy means you buy at equal amounts of time, equal amounts of capital, and you buy no matter what the price is, right? So like my one is $1 a day, which means that for the last year, I have bought every single candle. And that only cost me $365, right? But look at the ROI on my bottom buys, 570%. And let's be honest, 90% of my buys are in profit. So this is the most important part of the strategy, is dollar cost averaging. And if you don't know what it is, if you don't know what anything is, you come to Bybit Learn, the university course, and you simply just type in DCA. First of all, it will teach you what dollar cost averaging is. And then it will teach you how to use the bots so that you actually, I mean, who wants to be buying every single day? Like it's just a waste of time. These bots do it for you absolutely passively. And trust me, you do not want me to pull up my DCA bot P&L because the FOMO will be real. Alright, so number one is dollar cost average. You use the bot to do that. And then the second one is to buy the dip. And you simply use the RSI on the daily. So you use your daily RSI. And then the dip is considered whenever RSI is in oversold. So as you can see, the last place where the Warren Buffett strategy was like buy the dip was here and here. Those were the best buys this quarter, y'all. The last buy the dip. And don't go and do this on the 4 hour, alright? Do this on the daily. The last buy the dip was here. Another OG buy. And then the previous buy the dip was here. Another OG buy. And here, another OG buy. So you can already see how this strategy is destroying the market. It's profits on profits on profits. And you can actually set your alert. So it seems like the next major buy, I mean, we're heading towards that area now. Like we're just at the middle of the RSI. Like we'll see what happens if we come back to test the top, but like maybe we'll come down to the bottom. And let me just see if I can set an alert here. I might need to close another alert, but I'm pretty sure you can set an alert to let you know when it reaches that level. There is a way to do this. 1 second. There we go. All right. So you say crossing down, and then you want it on the 30 level. So when it crosses the 30 level to the downside, you actually get an alert to buy the dip on spot. Is everyone with me? And take the expiration as far as you can, because this can take months. And then you just say, buy the effing dip. I need to delete an alert. All right, so this is how you do it again. Please, everybody do this. So this is the daily RSI. You right click, you go add alert. You set the alert for crossing down, and then you set it for the 30 level. And then you take the expiration date forward for a month. And then you say, buy fucking dip. And then you check your alerts. There it is. Crossing down. I love it. All right, is everybody following? And then the third part of the Warren Buffett strategy. Because like I want y'all to be risk managed. I want y'all to be investors, right? Not just degens. And like this is for spot. What I'm teaching you now with Warren Buffett strat is for spot. Move your bodies. We've been here for a long time. All right. So the third part of the strategy is what we call ladder limit entries. And it is by far the most complex part of the strategy. And there is actually now on Bybit, there is a way to do this. And it's under tools. And you basically come here to, you see here under scaled order, it says laddered entries. So Bybit's just changing the game at all times, obviously. And yeah, Matt, this is advanced, so don't stress. But a laddered entry is where you can take one amount and you can split it into a ladder and you can exponentially increase the buys as you go down. So this is a way for me to actually take my copy trading strategy and make it automatic. And it's also a way that we can do the Warren Buffett strategy like on spot completely passively. But basically, I still like to do it in a manual way. So all I do is say, okay, every $1,000, or let's make it every $5,000 or whatever, you're going to buy a Bitcoin, right? And you just basically drop the lines. Just going to use the brush. But basically say, okay, when Bitcoin drops this much, I'm going to set a limit order. But these limit orders are increasing in value. And actually on my spot account, my limit orders go all the way down to $10,000 on Bitcoin. Just in case we get a black swan event which gives us a wick down to 10K, I will get the lowest buy, and the lowest buy will be the biggest buy. So yes, it's the most complicated part of the strategy, and it requires the most maths, but it's actually the most important, most OG part of the strategy. All right, finally we're getting through what we need to get through. All right, the next thing I want to show you is the stochastic and regular RSI strategy. All right, so you can see here is my GALA trade. It's like still doing pretty well at a 92%. I have already realized like some decent profits for copy trading, but I'll show you the reason that I have not added to my trade is, first of all, because we're still in profit, right? So if I add to my trade, my entry price will actually come up. The second reason I did not add to my trade is because the daily RSI did not come to the bottom yet. And we can see the ultimate time to actually enter these trades is right here, where the regular RSI was actually in oversold. But even more than that, I just want to like make very clear here the strategy that I use, because this is something that the newbies can start to use. Oh, I see a lot of chat coming in. How are we doing for the giveaway likes? Come on, peeps. We need 62 likes. Invite your friends. Invite your family. We got like another hour and 15 minutes. We need a DCA wrap. Dollar cost average. I don't know why I'm not in the zone with the wraps today. All right, I'll make a DCA wrap too. All right, I'm just looking at the chat. Take profit. Yeah, always take profits. Always take profits. I'm not going to take profits right now because it looks like we're heading back up. But what we very likely might get is something like this, right? So stochastic is very low. So we might get something like this where the RSI actually like doesn't hit the bottom and it goes all the way back up. And yeah, I could add a small amount to my trade now, but it's fine. We've got a decent enough position. So we're just going to, we're going to like sit on our toes for now, and we're going to wait for actual regular RSI to come into the bottom. So for the newbies, you need to bring up 2 indicators for this strategy, and it's a beautiful, beautiful strategy. It works really well on the 15-minute time frame, but I want you to keep it, I want you to keep to the daily if you're a newbie. But basically you need 2 indicators, and the first one is RSI, completely free on Bybit. The second one is stochastic, completely free on Bybit, stochastic RSI. And stochastic RSI is just a more immediate version of the RSI. And we can see the RSI, I mean, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous indicator. Like, it literally told us to build our positions here, right, in oversold, and take profits here in overbought. And that was, I mean, beautiful. It's literally what we did, 346%. So nice and so easy. But to be even more OG, you only enter when both are rhyming. So can you see here how we got a rhyme of the regular and the stochastic? Here we got a rhyme of the regular and the stochastic. Here we got a rhyme of the regular and the stochastic to the downside. And that's basically just what I wanted to share with you right now, because literally any coin that you go to, those are going to be your OG entries. And right now you can see I did not add to my INJ, even though we're at my entry price. Oh, maybe I should add to INJ. But the reason I didn't add is because regular's not there, right? Look over here when regular was there with stochastic. Look at that. That's the trade you want, y'all. So what I want to do now is do some diligence, and I want to see which trades I should take profits on and which trades I should add to. All right, let me just quickly go through the chat. Nice, well done. Nice, well done, well done. Yeah, we're definitely getting into alts very soon. Well, right now we're getting into alts. What's that? Auto TJ. Alright, McCall, drop the rap and I'll rap it, bro. I'm just laughing. Yeah, it's so cringe when I try rap. I can only rap like predetermined raps. Auto-tune. So, auto-tune is one of my pet peeves. But you know what? It is what people love these days. And I must say, I'm a fan of Post Malone, as cringy as that is. I mean, he dropped his debut song, White Iverson, when he was 18. If you go to White Iverson now on YouTube, it has 1.1 billion views. What a boy. Alright, the crew is still here. Lovely to see. By the deep, Mr. WACO. By the fucking dip, y'all. Yeah, I don't want to play other people's tunes because it's going to restrict me. Yeah, super impressive on the RSI. And like, I haven't bought each of those dips because I haven't had the alert set. But now it's set. I use the ladder, although I do it manually. Yeah, so let me know. Someone please go try this ladder limit entry. You know what? Let's do it. Let's do it together. So somebody give me a coin that I haven't entered yet. We can see here I've got 32 trades. We're doing very, very well. But there are some trades that I haven't entered yet. So let's do the ladder limit. Let's do it live. So there are some trades that I'm still looking at. Give me 1 second. What about... I don't think Hyperliquid is here yet, but I'm super keen on Hyperliquid. Oh, it's not yet on copy trading. No stress. SEI. Oh, it's already 20% up. So I don't really want to enter that. We've got Aave, we've got Sol. Do I not have a SHIB trade? It's 20% up. But I don't think I have a SHIB trade. Stochastic is turning around. We're not yet at the OG spot to enter. But should we see if we can quickly figure out the scaled order? Wow, dope. Wow. Okay, so cross 2x. Okay, this is super cool. So our price range. Let's just figure this out, right? I'm gonna go to the weekly time frame for this. So basically, I want my stop loss below like the actual floor. So let's pull out a horizontal line at our where we want our stop loss so we can get the right price. And actually we want some buffer below this bottom wick. So it's a crazy stop right now. It's literally a stop of 85% on spot. So on our 2x we're going to need 170% stop. We're using cross margin, so it's all good. Let me just put a... Let me just take some notes here quickly. Alright, so we need 170% stop loss. Alright, so we're doing cross 2x. Our price range to enter into the trade is literally from here, so 0.22. And then I literally want to scale into the trade. Let's see where the golden pocket is. Okay, so golden pocket has already been touched, so that was a nice entry there. But now let's go back to the daily and let's check this RSI. So this is where we really get our OG entries, but this is an okay time to actually like start a scaled order. And this is the first time I'm using this, so forgive me if I make some mistakes. Alright, so we're going to go from 0.2 0.33, which is current price, and we want to scale into the order all the way down to 0.095. 0.095. All right, now the total quantity of SHIB is going to be a little bit of maths involved. So it looks like you can't enter here on the order, on the value of the order. So we just need to do a little bit of maths. So what is $10? Well, actually, I want the trade to be $100 in total. This is new for us, so let's take it chilled. Let's do a $50, right? And I'll bring up my calculator so you can see exactly my calculations here. It's like not that complicated. Can everybody see my calculator? Can you see my calculator or not? Oh wow, look at that. It's already showing us the scaled orders. Oh, okay, I'm falling in love with this now. This is too cool. What? It's already showing us the scaled orders. How amazing. So it looks like you can't actually enter at market price with this, which is also good. You can only like enter if it dips a bit more, but I want to try and edit that. Yeah, so it looks like they have to be limit entries. Could anybody see my calculator? Okay, rad. Awesome, awesome. All right, so all I want to do basically is how many orders do we want? This is so cool. This is amazing because I don't have to do this manually. All right, so let's do 10 orders, right? But what we need to figure out is how much SHIB to put. So SHIB is now SHIB 1000. Oh my gosh. All right, so let's just use a calculator. So let's just go 50 USD in SHIB. 2,100. Let's just do 207. Jeez. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2.1 million SHIB. So let's just go 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I really hope I'm getting this right. I should be doing this outside of copy trading first. But everyone back me up. Is what I just did there correct? 2.1 million SHIB is $50, right? Like for the OG SHIB traders, 2.1 million SHIB is $50, right? Oh, Rick, I can see you, bro. I can see you. Please advise about why some are allowed to take profits in copy trading, others are not. So I've locked it now so that no one is allowed to take profits, because that's how people have been wrecking themselves. They've been closing my trades in a loss when actually that's when I add to the trades. So I've locked it now to what we call sync master. So please, if you're still able to take profits, do not take profits on my trades. Do not take profits on my trades. Let me do the trading. And Rick, what's up, my brother? Oh, TT's in the house. Let's go. Virtual. Okay, lovely. There's the alpha. So we've got Lingo. We've got virtual for FA. Bonk. Chill guy. All right, cool. Bonk. Chill guy. Hippo. Hippo. Myro. I'm noting them all. Quickly, please. Are you going to run out of battery? How do you identify trigger waves? Alright, so that's a little bit more advanced, but I can show you the trigger waves. So a trigger wave is literally just a dot. So you don't actually have to identify it, because basically... So, beautiful, beautiful question, McCall. Nice question, bro. So for the scalpers, for costly, this is for you. So even for scalping, if you want to scalp, you don't need to do the 4-hour time frame. Like stick to the daily time frame, and then basically a trigger wave is a dot at the bottom of a wave trend. So like here we can see there was a trigger wave, but there was no divergence, right? Because momentum was going down while price was going down. So it's like simple market structure. It's not a divergence. But you see the green dot. And 100% that was a scalp. Like look at the green dot. That was a 9% scalp. Look at the green dot. That was a beautiful 22% scalp on Bitcoin. So costly, that is for you. And I know you're already trading the dots because I've seen you drop the profits. Oh wait, all right, okay, let's go back. So am I correct here? 50 USD is 2 million SHIB. Morpheus says, yeah. Does anybody want to back me up? 50 USD is 2 million SHIB. What we can do is quickly head to the spot trading platform and check. But I think we're good. And then we've got 10 orders. Oh no, of 2 million, that's too much. Oh, it's 10%. But it's still showing 2 million. So I think what we need to do is we need to take 2.1 million and divide it by 10. Oh, 210,000. Exactly. That's what it's doing. Perfect. I'm into this. I'm into this. I trade the trigger wave. It works. Let's go. All right, somebody back me up. Is 2.1 million SHIB $50? Yeah, we good. We good. Wow, how cool. And then you'll get an average entry price. Why is it saying $1,700? Cost 1,700. Okay, so I think I must first practice this on my main account before I do anything wrong in front of my followers, for my 27 followers. But how amazing is this? So basically, once I figure it out, I won't need to do anything, and every time we come lower, it will actually scale into my trade, which is exactly my copy trading strategy. All right, lovely. I hope everyone enjoyed that, and that's a brand new tool, so it's very, very cool that we're doing it. All right, so what I want to do now is I'm going to quickly go through my trades, and I'm going to manage them because everybody loves live trading, right? But what I want now from the crew, just let's put it back on GALA for now. Let me know what you think I should do with the GALA. I'm going to run to the little girls' room quickly. But what I want from y'all now is I want you to tell me coins that I can still open on copy trading, right? Then we're going to go through my trades. And we're going to open some new trades. NCT Polyswarm top pick. Bullish. Interesting. More money. Thank you for joining. I hope you've subscribed. And everybody give a warm welcome to hashtag more money. Okay, so we'll do the fundamental analysis and the tokenomics shortly on NCT Polyswarm. Thank you so much. And please do smash the like button and sub to the SHIB. Get on the SHIB. 2.1 million SHIB. Beautiful, beautiful. Can't back you up. Following as always. I trade the trigger wave. Let's go. All right, I'm going to be back, y'all. I just am bursting for the loo. Let's see these likes. Come on, I believe in you. It's only 59 likes left until we do the giveaway. All right, I'm going to be back. Please give me just 2 minutes. All right, I'm back, y'all. Thank you for your patience. So awesome to have my crew here. Are you seeing the fundamentals? XRP owner gave Donald $5 million. Yeah, no, they chums. They chums now, totally. All right, so we'll look at XRP news. I'm taking all the alpha down so we can do it. Yeah, you gotta drink liquids, right? So the liquids have gotta come out sometime. Hit the buys and watch the price fly. Ooh, hit the buy. Watch the price fly. As long as you're following the money flow. Market Cipher B strategy. Then you're in the money. Oh, the flow is back. Let's go. We're in the zone. We hope he isn't shilling. Yeah, no, he might be shilling. He might be shilling, but he might also be giving us the alpha. So we'll check it out. We'll very soon see. It's very easy to spot a scam project, I'll tell you that. You make sure you get the divergence on the market Cipher B strategy. Be in the money, y'all. Sharp, let's go. All right, let's work, y'all. We're almost done. Got like 55 minutes. Let's get this alpha in. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is quickly manage my trades. I like when you are like here watching me manage my trades. It's very fun. So GALA, I'm not gonna add to the GALA trade because it's like we're not in RSI, right? Oh, it's super tempting because of Stochastic, but I don't want to bring my entry price up. Just gonna be patient on this one. I'm super tempted to add to it because I think we did hit golden pocket here. Yeah, so we hit golden pocket like 100% perfectly. But yeah, I'm just gonna be patient to see like, was that a front run of the oversold? Just gonna be patient on that one. All right, I want to look at Jasmy. So I'm super bullish on Jasmy for their fundamentals. A lot of you know I was talking about, you know, the cancer research involved in the fundamentals. And yeah, I have a lot of passion behind this project. Fibonacci for the win. Look at that golden pocket. So that's where I should have added the trade at the golden pocket. But yeah, I'm just going to be a little bit more patient here because as you can see again, RSI is not coming down. Okay, ENA. What? Let's go. ENA is in profit. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, how many contracts do we have? 18. Oh, and we're in a realized P&L because everyone was shorting, so the funding rate paid us. That's what I'm talking about. So here it is. Take profits. Take profits. If you see the money, you must take profits. Take profits. Right? Did you see that? I took profits, y'all. I took profits. Alright, let's go. What else? Jasmy. Let's look at the ICP. Okay, so ICP literally tested our entry. We're back in profit, but RSI did not come down to the bottom. I really want to add to this trade because, yeah, like my margin's tiny here. And we're in a realized, but I'm not going to add now because it would actually bring my entry price up. Okay, KAS is a little bit down. It actually looks like it retested the entry as resistance. So this RSI actually looking like one of the better ones, because as we can see, it's been a long time since, like, it looks like KAS just doesn't come down into oversold. So I'm just going to add a tiny bit to this trade. Oh, I've already added. I've already entered twice. All good. I think I'm going to open new trades rather. Let's go to Link. Alright, so Link is doing pretty well. We're in 127% up. We've realized some profits, but the trade is tiny. So this one I really want to add to it, but I'm definitely going to wait for Stochastic to come down before I do. I mean, I'm going to wait for regular to come down before I do add to it. like when you're copy trading, right? It's not just your money. It's 20, like literally it's 27 people, other people's money. And these are my chums. These are my homies. I'm not going to trade willy-nilly with 27 other people's money, yeah? Of course I degen on my own account, but I'm not going to go fuck it up. I'm not going to degen with all of my mates' money. Do I see Ika? Let's go. Ika's on Twitter. Ika, come through to the YouTube. Why are you back on the Twitter? I must say I love your Twitter profile pic. It's like an OG Bybit NFT. So cool. Take profits. Take profits. If you see profits, take profits. No stress, bro. Enos, let's go. What is P? I just had a peeling in the morning. I was born to be a trader, my brother. I was born to be a teacher. But hey, maybe I'm a preacher. Maybe I'm a rapper cause I look a little dapper on the charts. It's an art when we hit the flow, when we're in the zone. We use market cipher cause we wanna be in the money flow, yo. Oh damn, that was not bad. all right, let's work. Okay, Pendle, what's happening with Pendle? So we're still in the profit. We're in a little bit of profit here. We've only got 3 contracts left. But again, I'm not going to add to it. RSI is not coming down yet. Oh, this beat. It's just perfect. It hits me right in the spot. Better than not. Got no knots in my stomach. Y'all just love it when I rap. It's so fun. Okay, so again, POL not yet giving it. I really want to find a trade to add to. Let's find it. XRP. XRP might make me need a P again. What about when? Did anybody take that when trade? Did anybody see when go absolutely parabolic? Drop it like it's hot. Yeah. Love it. What? Criffy. Oh my gosh. Oh, bro, you honor me. What? Are you serious? Oh, dude, please drop your YouTube channel link. You honor me, brother. Thank you so much. So everybody check out Criffy's YouTube channel because he is literally, I will say, the most genuine crypto influencer I have ever met. I had the honor of meeting him in Dubai, and honestly, my heart goes out to you, bro. Like, you changed me, dude. You made me realize that people can still be OG famous influencers and still be genuine, authentic, caring, loving, empathetic people. So Creffy, bro, please drop your YouTube link. I'll even bring it up right now. Everybody right now needs to give Creffy a follow. Don't even know if I'm following you. What is your YouTube channel? Oh, I am subbed. Look at that, an OG dropping in on us. Mr. Creffy, 92,000 subs. Let's go. Dude, that's so sweet of you. Love to meet you as well. Unfortunately, my content is in Dutch. Bro, no stress. We've got closed captions. I'll watch you speak in Dutch and YouTube will auto-translate it. So let's go. Bro, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We're subbing just to sub, yo. Even though you've got 92,000 subs, bro, you make me so happy, man. Thank you, brother. And I can't believe you're hopping onto the stream. So Creffy, the OG, let us know. Do you have any alpha for us? Do you have any alpha for us, my brother? Okay, so XRP, I'm also not going to add to the trade yet because the RSI is not giving us the right information to add to the trade. And of course, if I add to my trade here in 158% profit, I will be significantly bringing up my entry price. And what I would rather have is, of course, like, you know, more blood and add to my entry lower to bring my entry down. But what I will do is take profits. Take profits. If you see profits, take profits. All right, everyone give Crefe a warm welcome. You can see 92,000 subs and he's dropping into my 600 sub channel. Oh, what a boy. Thank you, brother. Thank you. That's so appreciated. Oh, what a tune, right? Should we drop another flow, yo? Oh, YouTube is freaking out here. It's not letting me turn it up. Anyway, it's cool. Y'all can hear it, right? What I can do is go back. All right, so we've been streaming for 2 hours. Move your body. Let's just have a little bit of fun. Move your body, y'all. Let's loosen up. Oh, what a track. Oh my God, that makes me want to rap. All right, no time to waste. We've got another 45 minutes in the stream. Let's get it, y'all. So I'm just going to quickly finish managing my trades here. Let's see, POL. Arve. Okay, Arve's in blood. Are we going to add to the Arve trade? Okay, so Stochastic is looking good for a pump. But regular RSI is literally not looking like a vibe. Thanks everyone for the welcomes. Jordan's going to be a big one of the best guys. What? Oh, brother. Shot, my G. Thank you so much, man. And what I'll do... Oh, no, I can't play your video because I'll get restricted. But drop us a link to your video that you shot in Dubai because, honestly, it was amazing. So, Krefe's team... Krefe actually won... Best Visionary. I think he won Best Visionary. You won like $10,000 and a drone or something like that. So drop us the link to your video that you made in Dubai so everyone can watch it. But thank you, my brother. Honestly, like, I just can't believe your authenticity. Like, it just blew me away how you can... Like, usually, you know, money and followers, like, it gets to people and it makes them, like, quite shitty people, if I'm honest. Like, you know, it's undeniable. Like, if you're making millions, then you become like a shitty person. And it's just so nice to see someone who's not that. He's just not that, right? So everybody show the love for Krefe and sub, even though he's in Dutch. Let's go. Did we check Lingo? Not yet, my brother, not yet. Yeah, they were giving away money. I mean, they gave away $90,000 in Dubai at this hackathon. And of course, we can watch my one, but I believe all of y'all have seen it, right? Yeah, all of y'all have seen it, so let's not waste time. Alright, so I'm not going to add to Arve. Let's just quickly finish managing these copy trades. Pendle, POL, Theta. Let's go! Theta's going into the green. Should I casually increase my Theta trade? Okay, if Theta has a max supply, I will add to the trade. But I've just forgotten if Theta has a max supply. Yes! Theta is the one that has a max supply and has reached 100% of its max supply. So let's go. Let's just add a little bit here. I'm just going to double my current margin. Boom! Let's go. Let's make some profits. Theta, give us the gold. All right, KAS. We already looked at. I'm not going to add to it. KAS is one of the ones that looks more like maybe I should add. Oh, but I did already double it. We find there. We find there. Okay, Near. Near's in a little bit of blood. Thank you so much. And I'll continue trading and I keep my mouth. No, bro. It's not about keeping your mouth shut here, dude. Bring us the alpha. Kriffy, you're 92k subs, bro. Bring us the alpha. Kriffy, tell me a trade that I can open. Tell me a trade that I can open. What I'll do is I will actually do the fundamentals, and I'll do the TA and I'll open the trade. We got Creffy in the building, y'all. He's honoring us with this 92K presence in the building, y'all. Mr. Creffy, don't be a lurker. Drop your trades for us so you can help us get made. Always, bro. No, he's too humble to even drop his link. It's crazy. Alright, so I will drop Creffy's link. And I can't play the video because I'll get restricted. Creffy, did you drop your Dubai video on your YouTube? Because that one's in English. Did you upload it? But yeah, let me drop Creffy's link. Are we in the zone or should we go home? Do we have the flow? You gotta know, there ain't nobody that flows like this crew. Don't let it be you. Gets wrecked. Never FOMO. Say no to FOMO. Y'all take profits if you wanna be in the winning crew. Don't let it be you. Stay with the money flow. Use the market Cipher B. Our strategy to be in the supply and demand, y'all. Oh, gotta follow the 10 commandments, y'all. Not those by Sam Bankman-Fried, but the ones that are dropped by me. Cause I care about my crew. Let it be you in the money flow, in the supply and demand, y'all. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna quickly finish this off. So near is like actually pretty low down on RSI. So I'm just gonna add a little bit to the near trade. Alright, so what else is in blood? I'm just gonna look for the ones in blood. OP. So we're in so many trades, right? We're in like 32 trades. We need to always just head back to CoinMarketCap and make sure that, yeah, we understand. So there's a max supply. Let's go. 5 stars, OP, well done. They're not going to be able to inflate, which is nice. The percentage of supply is still low, but they're heading towards parabolic price, right? Risk to reward to all-time high of 4.7 from 1.9 is also looking good. And we're in the blood, and the RSI is like at a relatively good place. So I'm just going to quickly add a little bit to my OP trade and watch what happens when I double my margin, right? So the reason I start off so small, all of these trades, I want them to be $100 plus. But I start with $5 so that I can double my margin. And on 2x, that's $10, right? So you just add $10 and then watch the entry price. Did you see how much further it came down? So now we just need like a little pump, and Stochastic is going to give it to us. And we're going to go into profit, and then we're going to take profits, y'all. So did you see we're on minus 19, and now we came down to minus 8. Mischief managed. And then always check, like after you've added to your trade, check what you are risking. And you can see I'm risking $10 at the stop loss. All right, I'm almost done. I just want to see what else is in heavy blood. CRV and a bit of blood. CRV is one of my high conviction plays, but it hasn't even come down to its golden pocket. So my main entry is going to be here in the golden pocket. And yeah, RSI is too high up for me to add to the trade. So no stress. Gotta be blessed, y'all. If you're in this crew, don't act like a shrew. Underground in a mound. Gotta make those pounds, those dollars. What else is in blood? Drip is in heavy blood. So I haven't added to the drip because I just don't know how I feel about drip. Honestly, I don't know how I feel about drip. So right now, I want to hear from the crew. Please, everybody, Creffy, everybody who's here, Costly. Did I see Lizzie? Did I see Lizzie? But anyway, we got Ika, we got Enos. And keep that chat hot, y'all. Keep that chat hot. How do you feel about drip? Like, is it one of those hyped things that's gonna die? Like, what's gonna happen to JIP? So 2 days ago, they launched gasless swaps on Solana. Interesting. They've got staking on Binance. It's got some unlocks coming. Oh no, their locks are finished. Yeah, this is a bit dodgy. 8.65 billion supply, no one knows. It's untracked. Untracked tokens are unaccounted for. Weird. And I don't like that there's no max supply. That means it can be inflationary. I also don't see anything here that says anything unique. About is also very short. Like, I'd rather do Pyth or Sui or Tia, right? Is Drip hot? She's cooking Christmas rice. No stress. I want. What is it called? The other day I had something called Joffe rice, something like that. It was delicious. I believe it's a Gambian dish. Okay, virtual, AR and Popcat. Okay, virtual, AR. Just beware of Popcat. It's like low caps will wreck you, highly manipulated, all of that. All right, so no one's got any info on JIP, so I'm literally just gonna leave the JIP trade. I mean, if I add to it now, it'll bring us right down, and we are low on Stochastic. And yeah, like, it's actually looking pretty good to add to. I just don't know about the fundamentals. So honestly, there's other trades I'd rather enter now, right? But anyway, let's just see what else is in blood. Let's see what else we can quickly manage. All right, Solana. Solana looks like it's going down. So I'm going to wait for that regular RSI. Okay, and then we've just got IMX and Doge. IMX, I heard some pretty gnarly things coming out about layoffs and about people literally quitting. Jollof, that's the one. I had Jollof and it blew me away. And there's this really cool rap album that I heard called Jollof in a Jet. And it's such a cool name, right? Jollof in a Jet. Do you mind checking Vanna? Alright, Vanna. Oh, we got a lot to do, y'all. We got like 35 minutes left. Yeah, it's profitable, but like, McCall, you're an OG. You're an OG. Okay, I'll do Popcat. I'll do Popcat. What's the ticker? Okay, yeah, this is cool. We got a trigger wave on the daily. So we got a long, but remember, it's not a bull div. It's just like a trigger wave long. How are we doing for our likes? Are we going to do a giveaway? Oh my gosh, we still got 58 likes, y'all. DJ Cuppy. Is it DJ Cuppy who did Jollof in a Jet? So cool, bro. Are you sure it's Nigerian? Are you sure it's Nigerian? That's cool, man. I think I'm a Nigerian inside. Like, you should see my TikTok algorithm. It's just like literally just Nigeria. Alright, so this is actually really, really cool because we see that the daily RSI is rhyming in oversold. Almost, but it's rhyming with the stochastic. And we also see the trigger wave on market Cipher. The only thing is that it's not a bullish divergence. But it is creating what could be a bull, right? So if price continues to come down and creates a lower low, while we now get a higher high, that will be a bull div. And that would be a nice place to enter. Like, we can just see, you know, there's not many divergences here, but when they do come in, like, those are the trades. Like, there was the last bearish divergence. And like, to the dollar, I mean, that was a gorgeous trade. So I'm not going to trade something like this, which is a low cap. Whoa, 5.78 billion. Maybe it's a high, maybe I'm wrong. Okay, let's quickly do fundamentals on Popcat. I'm in like the community or something now. Let me just get out of here. My keyboards. All right, let's go. Okay, so it is a low cap. So I'm not going to trade this because I only trade coins that are above $1 billion in cap, right? And it's getting there, and once it's above $1 billion in cap, I will trade it. But there is a max supply, and that max supply is finished. Which is like really cool, y'all. And it's almost at $1 billion, so maybe I should trade this. What I'll do is I'll set the alert on market Cipher B for the bull. Let me see if there's any alerts that I can get rid of here. Alright, we're already in IMX, so I can take this out. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll quickly on market Cipher B, because as we can see, you know, here was a bearish divergence. It caught the hidden bear against the trend, beautiful 12% down, and then here was the last bear. It caught a beautiful 58% down. So I'm just going to set the alert for the bull div with the big green circle, and we pull the expiration date out, so we give ourselves a whole month for this one, and we just say long popcat, and then we go to our alerts and we check if it's there. Sick. Dope. All right, we good. Let's just have a look at Doge, and then we good. Okay, so Doge is a trade that I really actually want to build my position because there's so much alpha here, right? If we go to Elon Musk's Twitter, I mean, he's shilling it like nuts. This is his coin. Like, it's the Department of Government Efficiency, or should I say deficiency? But yeah, I mean, this guy's not gonna let this coin die, right? He's gonna pump this coin to the moon. Wow, cool. What? 11 hours. President Trump just got a massive win in Congress. Wow, amazing. He secured legitimate funding for disaster aid for farmers. He cut the bill. Wow, Trump is doing cool things. Alright, so I just want to quickly... Ooh, there's a Pepe. Alright, so I think I need to scale into my Pepe trade a little bit. Honestly, if you see Elon like retweeting something or whatever, it's literally alpha. That is also Pepe. He's so cryptic, like I never know what he's talking about, but he's definitely shilling Pepe right here. Okay, anyway, I just want to find this Doge thing. He tweets like so much because he owns X, so he tweets like once an hour. So it's just crazy to actually find a tweet. And we've got a lot to do, so I won't waste time. But a lot of you have seen that image of like Doge as a huge cloud taking over the US. Has anybody seen that image? And I know he's tweeted it like a few times, but basically what he's saying is Doge is going to take over everything. And this is so funny, like he's not even American. He's literally South African. But anyway. Yeah, he tweets so much. I mean, it's crazy. I can't find it. But anyway, I'm gonna add to my Doge a little bit because yeah, we're quite low. Stochastic definitely wants to turn around. I'm quite low on the regular. I'm just gonna add like a small amount here. Only brought our order down slightly because it wasn't a double of margin. I just added like half margin. All right, and that's it. So now let me know your alpha. And I don't know if we have time to go through everything. Let's go copy trading. Yeah, so I want to actually open a new position on copy trading live. But it has to be serious, y'all. It has to be a large cap. It has to be in the altcoin season index. It has to be underperforming Bitcoin over the last 90 days. You know, I don't fuck around when it comes to copy trading, yeah? We don't trade willy-nilly. We make sure we're in the money flow. First daughter, one of the richest men in Africa, DJ Cuppy. Cool, man. Yeah, it's really cool how Nigeria and South Africa have a super cool link. Nigerian, not Gambian. Amazing. Learn something new. Yeah, we're doing Vanna. We're doing Vanna, for sure. Okay, so I'm not in the LTC trade. I'm in the Avalanche. I'm not in the ETC. I'm in the fill. I'm in the render. Wait, are we in render? I think render might not be on copy trading, but render's like really amazing use cases. What? I'm not in a render trade? Yeah, let me close some windows. Alright, so I'm gonna open the render trade. As we can see, we're not like at the bottom of the RSI, but this coin is so bullish that like it doesn't really go into oversold. And Stochastic is definitely turning around at the bottom of oversold. We actually have a Harami, and we have a hammer, and we have an inverted hammer. So things are looking pretty bullish. Like it all depends on Bitcoin right now. But of course, before we enter anything, like I know the fundamentals here and I know how strong it is, but I just want to show y'all, right? So it is in the billions on the market cap. First of all, it's a large cap. So I'll say, okay, number one is ticked off the box. I can trade it. It's a large cap. Number two, it has a max supply, which means it is non-inflationary. It is also at 80% of its max supply. It also has unique aspects. It's in the news 3 days ago. What is that news? Miles Deutscher implements strategic moves. How is Miles Deutscher this famous? What? That boy has really made it, hey? Oh, they don't even have a unique section. But here we go. Leading provider of decentralized GPU-based rendering solutions. So if you want to render something like a massive projection, like if you want to project onto the Burj Khalifa in high resolution, it's gonna be like a 200 million terabyte file or something. That would be absolutely impossible to render on any kind of normal computer, right? But a decentralized GPU is basically a massive decentralized network of supercomputers that will render it for you in like 1 day. So yeah, intensive 3D rendering. I love this, and they should really have a what makes it unique, because it is unique. But I'm just cringing that I don't have a render trade open. And it looks like this is turning into, you know, maybe a bit of a front run, and we might come lower. But this is why I enter on minimum leverage and I enter on minimum margin, right? So that every 15% that we dump, so first of all, my stop loss is going to be well below the previous swing low, so below the wick with some buffer. So let's put a horizontal line where we want our stop loss. And then what I'm also going to do is, y'all know my strategy now, right? So what I do is I enter on minimum margin, minimum leverage, and then every 15% that we come down, I double my margin. So there will be $5, there will be $10, another 15% down will be $20, another 15% down will be $40, another 15% down will be $80, and that's about the margin that I actually want on the trade. So no matter how much blood we see, I'm going to be hungry for the blood, and it looks like we're actually right now getting a little bit of a better entry price because we're dumping down. So on the 15-minute time frame, let's just give it like a little bit of time. I can see Stochastic is heading back down. Let's just watch this, see when price starts to turn around. 3 minute is looking good for an entry. Regular's almost there on the 15-minute. But anyway, we're almost done with the stream. Alright, so 2x, an order value of $10, right? Which means I'm entering with $5. You always need to have a stop loss. You can always drag your stop loss around afterwards, but you can see here I'm risking $5, right? Okay, there we go. We enter the trade, and there we can see we are now in the trade. And there's our stop loss, and it's almost right, but it's on the wick, which means that it's in the liquidity. So that's bad. We don't want our stop loss to be in the liquidity. We want our stop loss to have a bit of a buffer. And I really believe in this coin, so I'm going to give the stop like quite a bit of room. And then every time you move your stop, of course, like check what you're risking. And then what I'll do right now is I will drop the new trade into the Trading Academy. So what I like to do is go to the Trader Center. And then we go to trades. And then we drop the new trade. And I'll drop that into my Trading Academy so that everyone's aware who's not live. And it says 0 right now, but usually it takes a minute or two. So we'll check back to see how many followers were able to follow the trade. And let me just show y'all how I do it. I'm very transparent. So right here in my academy, I just go new trade, entered, live. And then we just keep the fire hot, right? So everybody who's not in my academy, I'm going to drop the link right now. So head into my free trading academy on Telegram and show us some love on the trade that I just dropped. There we go. Let's just refresh and see if people were able to follow that. Come on, come on. Show me followers. Oh, I don't know why it's still showing me 0, but we'll check back just now. People were following the Doge, the OP, the Near. Have y'all run out of margin? Is that it? Or maybe it's just taking a bit of time. Anyway, we're almost through the stream. There we go, drop 15%, double down. But as long as you start on like the minimum possible entry, which is $5. Alright, actually the blockchain TON, anything under TON did not perform well. What's happening with TON? Okay, we'll look at TON. So TON is back at entry. Okay, it's not a bullish divergence because price is lower, but momentum is also lower. So you just got to be patient here. Like, my strategy is still on, y'all. My strategy is still on. 15% loss, and I will double my trade. And yeah, no, everything's cool with TON. Like, if you want to know what's happening, like, basically just come to CoinMarketCap and type TON. They're in multiple lawsuits, so like you're gonna expect blood, and you gotta just have conviction in your bets. And just remember that like TON is overpumped. Like all-time high is 8 and we're at 5.4, so risk to reward ratio is like super dodgy. There's no max supply. It's a massive market cap, which means it can't be manipulated, which is cool. But yeah, you gotta be careful and like look at the news, right? Okay, so they've launched a self-custody wallet, which is pretty cool, pretty bullish. Yeah. But of course, they still have open lawsuits, so like, it's hectic. But here, I mean, look how much stuff is unique. And I just believe in TON. You can see my trading academies on Telegram. I really do believe in TON. Hey, someone gave me a fire. Someone gave me a fire reaction. Thank you so much. So everybody pop a reaction in my crew. And thank you, WACO, for the beautiful thumbnail. So beautiful. I have never looked like such a schmodel in a thumbnail before. Okay, y'all. Now I'm here for you. I'll do whatever you want. There was a lot of stuff that I still haven't gone through that I wanted to get through. I wanted to do ADA. Oh, one thing I wanted to look at was this awesome So I'm going to quickly hop back to Bitcoin because I forgot to show you something on the candle reading side on Bitcoin that I actually learned from Mr. Pact. So a lot of you will know Mr. Pact, price action candle trading, the OG in our community. Let's see where we are with our likes. Come on, we only need 55 more likes. You got 17 minutes for 55 likes, crew. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, I believe. And yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And if you don't have an account, obviously, please sign up. You need to be under my link to be able to get the giveaway. Alright, so what I'm going to quickly do is clean up. We want a naked chart right now. Naked as the day the charts were born. Right? I'm going to leave the 100k level in because it's the round level that we really need to be aware of. But what I want you all to just note for future, because I didn't know this until yesterday. And yeah, I learned something new and I'll always bring it to the crew, right? Let me just get a drink. I think I should chill on the Red Bull. I've already had one Red Bull, so I'll have some Coca-Cola. Oh, it's too tight. I might need to pop the Red Bull. It's all good, y'all. I'll have some 100% organic, full cream, fresh milk. And you know what? Milk coats your throat really nicely, which is cool. Oh, that is beautiful. Okay. So what I want to show you, because I had some learning and it's really, really cool. So you see this candle right here. So yesterday, like somewhere in this candle here, before this dump, literally, like right here, before this dump, price action candle trading, one of the OGs in our community dropped into the chat. I know a few of you were there. And he said, which candle, he said, this is a test. Which candle on the charts is controlling the entire chart right now? And at first I said, oh, it's this shooting star, or I said, oh, it's this bearish engulfing, and he's like, no, try again. And then I actually got it on my second guess or third guess. I said it's the long-legged doji. And if you need to know, of course, anything on the charts, you come to Buy But Learn. So if you need to know about long-legged doji, like come and do the learning. So basically, you know, that's the long-legged doji. It's picture perfect and it signals indecision in the charts, and it could actually be the top of a much bigger dump. So be aware of that. But the main thing that I learned yesterday is when you get a long-legged doji, what it does is it actually creates a trading range. Right? So beautiful. And what happened here is what he said, what Pact said, is if it tests the top of the range, but it doesn't find support on the top of the range, then it simply trade the range till it breaks. And look what happened. The resistance, so this was all a fake out above resistance from the top of the long-legged doji. And I literally said, okay, so the target is here at 92. And he said, yeah, that's the target. What happened? The wick came down to the dollar to hit the price target, which is also the golden pocket. So, I mean, it's amazing, right? It's absolutely amazing. Like, candle reading for the win. Let me get this golden pocket properly. There it is. So here you can see is the golden pocket. So what I did there is I went from wick to wick with my Fibonacci extension. And there you had the golden pocket bounce, and it was also a retest of the bottom of the long-legged doji range. So that's some learning I just wanted to share with you because it was learning for me and it was super, super cool. All right, so then we're aware, right? 68k support is the biggest support in the event of a capitulation. We're not going to speak about Jerome Powell. We spoke about it yesterday. We spoke about money flow. All right, and we were speaking about 3 black crows. Remember, we were speaking about 3 black crows, and we were saying, yo, it's like super dodgy, but it didn't close, right? So you never trade a candle pattern until the candle pattern closes and confirms. And actually, it didn't, right? It didn't close and it didn't confirm, and it actually rather printed the Harami with this beautiful morning star, and that's actually a little bit more bullish. And it was, like, it did come up to the resistance, which is really cool. And now we'll see what happens here. As I said, I do think this could be like a fake pump, because yes, it's an order block and it's a volume level, but the real magnet right now is this CME gap and this POC at 68k. All right, so also remember that this, right, this is the POC, which is the point of control on the fair, like on the fixed range volume profile. And basically this entire range, so here's price at 97 and here's POC, and this entire area here is known as the FVG, which is the fair value gap. I see 10 unread comments. I'm going to read them now. But yeah, always be aware that we are very high above the fair value for Bitcoin right now, and the fair value gap does like to be filled. That's something, you know, traders say, is like gaps like to be filled. All right, let's have a quick look at Bitcoin dominance. Let's do our due diligence here. Oh my gosh. It did exactly what we said. All right, so we were tracking Bitcoin dominance all the way up here, and we said, okay, alt season has been beautiful, but literally, well, Bitcoin season has been beautiful. We said if Bitcoin dominance falls below this level, we'll see the bottom, right, of the channel. And this was our like mini alt season that we had now. If we go to the altcoin season index, we will see that we literally had a mini altcoin season, which is where we pumped all the way from under the blue up into the actual altcoin season range. And well done to all of you who took profits. I made $500 for my followers. We absolutely smashed it. And now we can see that we're finding a little bit of support up on this. And you can see, you know, this is resistance turning into support. Very, very cool. But the main thing to keep in mind here is the Bitcoin dominance chart. And then we said, you know, we got to see, we got to test the median, we got to test the top, and very likely we'll come and retest the parabolic curve as resistance. And sometimes it's nice to be like the moon and say exactly as predicted in this video. In this video, I will show you the exact price of Bitcoin. And you know what, I used to mock the moon, but now he's one of my homies, and actually after meeting him, he's an OG. He's an OG, like he's such a fun guy, and he's a friend, and yeah, he's really, really cool. And Crypto is also like such a legend. They're all just absolute legends. Right, thank you everybody for being here. Accurate indeed. Following, you should try Fuse. So I like Fuse, but actually my favorite is Boss. It's a South African company which uses Rooibos tea. So when I come in April, I'll bring you some South African iced tea. Much better than Fuse. Fuse is too sweet for me. I don't like sugar. I don't like sugar. I should take bullets. What about those not under your link? So you can't get the giveaway, unfortunately, but just pop me an email. My email is in my YouTube bio, and it will help you move your account over under my link. Always a pleasure. Oh, what an honor, my G. Can you check how much percent the whales and retailers? Yeah, so I think on Trade GPT, on Bybit's Trade GPT, you can actually ask that question. So should we quickly check it out? How many percent the whale wholesalers? Oh, we've only got 8 minutes left. So yeah, just go into Bybit's Chat GPT on Telegram, Trade GPT. Is everybody in the Trading Academy? Let me just see here. Is everybody actually in the Trading Academy? Oh, there we go. We've got some reactions. Good stuff, good stuff. Use Trade GPT. All right, thank you everybody for being here. I see we still need 54 likes to the giveaway, but no stress, we've got a little bit of time. And let me just see if there's anything else here I really want to do. Oh yeah, so this is important, right? This is Bitcoin dominance. But in order to really understand Bitcoin dominance, how to use it, you need to do the Bitcoin dominance cheat sheet. You need to actually like smash this into the back of your head. And you can see this is Miles Deutsch's one. So I'm really glad to see that he is becoming like as famous as he is, because he's such a fun guy, and I've always really liked him because he's a Gen Z, he's a Sigma, and he's sassy, right? He's super sassy, like he speaks it like it is, and I just love that. All right, so let me take away this banner so you can see the whole thing. But basically there it is, right? There's the Bitcoin dominance cheat sheet. So I want you to literally tattoo this on the back of your eyelids, okay? Make sure that you understand this, every level of this cheat sheet, because this is what makes you an OG altcoin trader. You can see I'm in 33 altcoin trades at the moment, and I understand Bitcoin dominance, right? Look what's happening at Bitcoin dominance. We're very likely gonna just dump on Bitcoin dominance, which means maybe another beautiful run for the alts, which is why I'm like actually entertaining opening new altcoin trades. But yeah, very important when you're looking at Bitcoin dominance, just to understand these two major ones that he's highlighted, right? So if Bitcoin dominance is going up and Bitcoin price is going down, alts will dump. If Bitcoin dominance is going down, but Bitcoin is going up, that's when we have alt season. So please screenshot this right now and make sure that you learn it. Okay, and then one thing I quickly want to do is check out Hyperliquid, because I think all of you heard me about a month ago. I was talking about how I think Hype is one of the best conviction bets for this, like, whatever, this bull market. And I just want to see, like, just want to do some fundamentals on it. Like, it's not on copy trading, which is a bit annoying, but it is on spot and it is on Bybit futures. But like, look how cool this is, right? So the max supply is 1 billion Hype, which is amazing that they've got a max supply. The circulating supply is still quite low. And as we can see, like, this coin has just been making people millionaires out of nowhere. Like, I mean, it's crazy. It started at $3. It's now at $32. So what is that? That's a 10x, right? People have 10x since ICO. And because it's got a max supply, so in the Bybit communities, please just drop hashtag feedback. Please give us Hyperliquid on copy trading. And I'm sure it will come soon. But yeah, I'd really love to enter this on copy trading. So I'm just going to add it to my copy trade dream list for when they do add it to copy trading. And we're almost done, y'all. I said I wouldn't go over 3 hours, so we've got 4 minutes left. Oh, I've already got it on my list. Okay, cool. Alright, and then let's just see what else I wanted to do so I'm not missing anything out for the crew. Oh, I wanted to quickly see what's happening with BNB. What? Where's my BNB trade? Oh, here. Alright, very nice. So BNB actually tested our entry, which is of course awesome to see, because now our entry is acting as support, which is nice, but I'm not going to add to the trade yet because this regular RSI is not rhyming with the stochastic, right? So here we can see where it did rhyme. with the stochastic, and like that was a good entry spot. So everybody's seeing that like the best entry was there. Yeah, so I'm gonna be more patient here. And what I'll do is I'll just take a little bit of profits now, because like likely Bitcoin is gonna see more blood, and take profits. If you're in profits, please take profits. If you want to be an OG trader, take profits, take profits. I've only got 2 contracts, so I can only close 1 whole contract. Oh my gosh. But at least it'll bring our realized up to nothing. So whatever, let's do it, right? Let's take profits, and then we'll already be in like a break even on realized P&L, or slightly above. And if we come lower, then we'll add to our trade. So there we go, we're in a positive realized P&L. Let's go. Alright, so I think we're nearing the end of our trade, y'all. I did promise that I would do Lingo. I promised that I would do Vanna. I'm very skeptical of these, to be honest. Like, extremely skeptical. Y'all know I like very high caps. So honestly, I'm super skeptical. Well, that's the only reason I'm in a BNB trade. Honestly, like, I severely dislike Binance. It's like one of my worst exchanges, because they are so not transparent with their affiliate platform. Like, it's the worst affiliate platform out there. Literally, I could tell you things about the affiliate platform that would make you cringe. But it's like, okay, so CZ is the richest man in crypto, right? He owns the most crypto. And BNB is literally like his name. It's his reputation, so he will never let it go to zero. He will always pump it. He will always market make it, which was the only reason I'm trading it. Yeah, so Husseini, you're on it. Like, he did pump it yesterday because he just wanted to pump it. I mean, that's how manipulated it is. It's a $624 coin, but he can still pump it whenever he wants. Yeah, we're gonna look at Poly. We're gonna look at this Poly swarm and see if you're shilling a scam or not. Yeah, not even the commission, bro. Not even the commission. Let me tell you, right? So on the Bybit VIP on the Bybit affiliate platform, your clients are yours not only in your lifetime, but in the perpetuity of your account, which means that you can hand your affiliate account down to your children in your will, or down to anyone you would like in your will, right? On Binance, any client that you sign up, you lose after 1 year of trading. They will take your client from you. They don't even tell you this. On the Binance affiliate platform, and I hope CZ's watching this, because you need to be more transparent, bro. It's horrible. If your client becomes a VIP on Binance, they will take that client away. You'll no longer earn commissions. On Bybit, if your client becomes VIP, you will immediately automatically earn more commissions. Alright, Weeks is best for affiliate. No, I'm getting 44% on Bybit, bro. So Weeks is not the best, although Weeks is the best DEX. And I am talking to the guys. They've been very cool to me. Weeks has been amazing. I've told them I don't want to use any other exchanges other than Bybit, but they've said, okay, but if you need a DEX, use us. And they've been amazing. They've offered me 80%. So I was like, okay, maybe I'll think about it. So let me know if y'all want a DEX option. But honestly, I just want to be full Bybit, because Bybit's so secure. Like, I first want to let Weeks run like a few years. Like, I don't know if I can trust them yet, right? Exactly. Binance, massive thumbs down from me. No stress, bro. I just want to make sure, like, I keep you in the right zone, right? So just do not trade small caps, bro. Do not trade small caps, especially as a newbie. Yeah. So I was with Ahmed when we met the Weeks owner in Dubai, and he's super cool. He's super cool. Like, I'm rocking Weeks, bro. Like, this is the bag that I use when I go to the beach. You can see it's a Weeks bag. Like, literally, my coolest jacket that I own is a Weeks jacket. It's super cool. It's like a Louis Vuitton jacket. So yeah, Bybit is the best, but I'm thinking of Yeah, I'll maybe have a week's. It's not even gonna be like in my description. It'll just be in DMs or whatever. Yeah, so it's not a hoodie. It's like a super cool jacket. No, shot brother, shot brother. So like we can look at lingo, easy peasy. But like I'm literally just gonna say like it's most probably a no from me until it reaches like large cap status. Because that's how I have, 50 million, dude, be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful. So like this is trying to find a unicorn basically, like needle in the haystack for unicorns at this point. And like most likely, so like this is cool, it's got a max supply, the max supply is already reached. But honestly, just stick to these coins, dude. Stick to these coins here, the ones that are at the bottom in the top 50 over the last 90 days, but that have underperformed Bitcoin. All right, so let's see if this guy is shilling. What is it? NCT Polyswarm. It's also tiny cap, so it's a no from me. There is a max supply. The max supply is finished, so that's like quite bullish. This guy says I'm slightly bullish on NCT, but are people dumb enough to not realize that literally nobody's buying this? Yeah. Nah, it's not looking good, bro. Sorry. No news. No uniqueness. Polyswarm is crowdsourced threat intelligence. That's cool. Detect, analyze, and respond to latest threats. That's very cool. I'm not going to give it a no. I'm not going to hate on it, but for me, I just like large caps. Also, this white paper looks super amateur. No, this white paper looks like it's made by a high school student. So, yeah, more money if you're just shilling, that's fine. That's fine. But like, if you really want me to educate you here, then just don't. Like, no. It's a no from me. Like, I'm not even going to read this white paper because it's hard to read. Like, this is not even good design. Do you want to see what a good white paper looks like? Let me show you a good white paper. This is the best coin in the world, y'all. I might even add to my ADA trade right now. Where's my ADA trade? Got so many trades, I actually just need to search for the pair. Oh, my computer's slowing down because we're loading the OG ADA white paper. Okay, so we're over time. We're going to be ending off soon. Yeah, so you can use it if you really need a DEX, but please just use Bybit. Like, just use Bybit. Please tell me people were able to follow this render trade. Come on. Let's see, let's see. Yes, 16 were able to follow. So if you are following me, I can see that less and less are actually able to follow my trades right now. So if we go to yesterday, we can see that there were 26 following these trades, right? And now there's only 16, which means that you're running out of margin. So if you are following me, please add margin. All right, so we're quite close to my entry here on ADA. I've got a really large position here in comparison to my other positions. We're already in a good realized P&L. Whew, and I don't want to bring my entry price up because it looks like Bitcoin's dumping right now. So I'm going to be a little bit more patient. Yeah, Bitcoin's doing a little bit of a dumperoonie on the 15-minute. No green dot yet from Market Cipher on the 15-minute. So, yeah, I'll be adding to my ADA trade, and I wish I caught it here at 76. Whew. That's why the ladder scaling order is so cool. Yeah, I didn't catch the 76, so I'm not going to add at 92. But, yeah, I really want to add to this ADA trade. Hopefully I get a chance. All right, so this is what a white paper should look like, right? Can y'all see the difference from the last white paper we just looked at to this white paper? I mean, look at this. This is what a white paper should look like. New to Cardano? You know, then they even say, what is blockchain? Like, This is a beautiful white paper. Cardano tracking tools. Learn about Cardano nodes, staking pools, delegation, pledging, consensus, Cardano evolution, design rationale. Alright, so now you know what a white paper should look like. And do me a favor, if you don't know what Cardano is, please come and just read about the staking pools, the delegation, the pledging, the consensus, Ouroboros, right? It's the best coin in history, honestly. Alright, y'all, I think it's been good. What did y'all want to look at? The XRP news. Let's just quickly look at the XRP news. XRP Ledger powers first 1 billion tokenized fund. Amazing. 4 hours ago. MoneyTap scales XRP usage in Japan. Wow. XRP rebounds following whale accumulation. XRP lawsuit 1 hour ago for a lawsuit. So I'm not actually seeing anything here about the Trump thing. Because that might just be like more rumor than anything else, but it might be true. Ex-SEC lawyer reveals Ripple was discussed, predicts possible dismissal of appeal. Interesting. There are rumors that Ripple and the SEC will have a closed meeting, which could lead to a significant development. Speculation suggests that the meeting may result in the case being closed or dropped. So this is all rumor. SEC's shutdown. RL USD live and more. Interesting. Alright, let's just quickly go to the XRP trade. Where's my beloved XRP? So ADA is my favorite, but XRP is my second favorite coin. And I've got so many trades, I can't even keep track of them anymore. Okay, so my margin is a little low. I just don't want to add to XRP now because I'm going to bring up my entry price. And yeah, regular RSI is not where I want it to be. But this full-on looks like a bull flag. This full-on looks like either a bull flag or a squeeze, right? So if it's a squeeze, we'll get something like price action, you know, squeezing inside here, faking out with wicks at the bottom, faking out with wicks at the top. And basically, like, this is a range you can trade until it breaks either up or down. But what I'm thinking here is this is looking like pretty bull flag-ish, right? And if we look at the target here for the bull flag, it's super, super juicy. I like more like that. Yeah, target $3.6 on the bull flag. Let's go. All right, so we'll end it off there. Let's see where the likes are. All right, so I'll do this, right? Yeah, we didn't smash the 100. I know it was a tough goal. But if we smash 50, if we can just smash 50 now, then I'll do a little giveaway. I won't do the full giveaway that I was going to do at 100 likes, but I'll just do a little giveaway so somebody gets something. All right. So just smash me up to 50 right now. We're ending off the stream. We've been here for 3 hours and 10 minutes, y'all. And my family is in town, so I must get going to meet up. My brother is here from California. My parents are here from Johannesburg. Our family is together for the first time in 2 years. So I'm very excited to see them. All right, please join my trading academy. I actually have a $1,000 position airdrop now. So I'm going to quickly drop it. Bybit has just continually been so amazing that I now have a $1,000 airdrop. So if you haven't yet signed up an account, sign up a Bybit account with a $1,000 airdrop for depositing $100. How amazing. All right, Bybit is the best. I choose Bybit more than Binance. Yeah, but Binance just sucks. But yeah, their P2P rates are so high and Bybit does not charge anything for P2P. Hey, Merry Christmas. Let's go. Let's have some fun. I'm not religious, but you know what? It's a fun time. It's a fun time. Oh, I'm sorry, my brother. I hope you do get to be with your family soon. Let's go. 88, beautiful. It's not like they don't know how leverage, so newbie is not greed. Yeah, exactly. Like, it's just greed that causes newbies to wreck themselves. Yeah, they're just starting, so like, don't put all your capital there if you want to use them. But like, send me a message if you want an affiliate link, and I'll sort it out. I'll sort out an affiliate link for some benefits. But right now, just use Bybit, y'all. Just use Bybit. Okay, so drop me a message. Have you enjoyed the stream? One more like and I'll do a little giveaway. I know we're gonna make it, so let me quickly organize the giveaway. Let's leave BTC here on the 5-minute time frame and see what happens. Let's put it on the 1-minute time frame. I've got a feeling we're gonna do a dumperoonie here. Awesome session. Thank you, brother. Why is our music stopped? It repeated too many times. But yeah, I took autoplay off because I needed to make sure we're not getting restricted this time. Smash that like if you want the giveaway. Love the session. Let's go. Thank you, Amana. 50 likes. All right. Thank you, everybody. I'm going to do a little giveaway quickly. It's not going to be the full giveaway, but I like to support my crew. I'll bring up the banner. Giveaway time! Alright, so remember, you've got like a few seconds now. If you want to get the reward. So let me just edit this. How do you spell eligible? I'm just gonna say... And let me know if you're still here and you've been watching the whole time. Just let me know if you're still here. Just let me know if you're still alive. I'm just creating the giveaway. Give me 1 sec. It's just gonna be a little baby one because we didn't reach the goal, but you still did me good, y'all. You still did me good. Okay, I'll drop the Discord link into the Trading Academy. So make sure you're in the Trading Academy, which is definitely in my YouTube bio. What? Y'all have been here for 3 hours. Thank you so much. Jess is still here. Let's go. Amana's here. Patrick's here. Ike is hardly alive. Morpheus is here. Okay, so Jess is the OG. So Jess, let us know. You always get the giveaways, right? So how do you do it? Look at the dumperoonie on Bitcoin. But Jess, just pop us in the comments so everybody knows, how do we claim this giveaway? While I just create the giveaway. All right, I'm almost there. Yeah, exactly. It's the QR code in the Academy. Beautiful. Half alive, Elena. Yeah, so I think if you're on iPhone, you screenshot it and then you go into your photos and then you hold down on the QR code. If you've got your PC and your phone, you can just scan it. But yeah, Jess is the OG. She's going to tell us now. Jess is going to tell us how she does it. So there we go. If I'm watching on PC, I look at the QR code through my phone camera and click the link. If I'm watching on my cell phone, I take a screenshot, go to gallery and hold down on the QR code. Beautiful. Thank you, Jess. But I believe this is for iPhone users. I don't know how it works on Android. But thank you, Jess. That's really awesome. All right, let's go. Let's do it. One second, I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Literally just trying to find the feature. There's so many features. There it is. Awesome. Okay, I'm just gonna do a little one. I didn't have time to move money around and whatever. Do y'all want USDT? Do you want XRP? I'm gonna do USDT. And do you want random amounts or do you want the same amount for everyone? Why aren't you KYC'd? But yeah, I think you can. I think you can. But you're gonna need KYC to trade anyway, so make sure you do KYC. Alright, I'm on iPhone, so just beware that that's not Android. Mac. Let's go. Alright, JD, it's incoming, bro. I'm making it now. And it's gonna be hot, because it's only for 3 people this time, because we didn't reach the goal. The goal was 100 and we did 51. And it's up and up, right? The goal was 50 last time, so we gotta keep smashing it. Do you really think random is cool? I'm a bit worried about random. Like maybe someone gets $1 or something. It's gonna be a little bit annoying. Oh, welcome, Gokus, let's go. Yeah, some are gonna get tiny. Yeah, I think let's do the same. But Jess, I love having you in, let's go. Okay. Alright, so you have to be under my link to claim this. But we are there. And this is just as a thank you from me. Got to do the authenticator. Okay, I've got it, y'all. So close, I'm almost there. I'm just sending myself the image so I can bring it up. All right, is everybody ready? If you're ready for the giveaway, just drop me a ready message. Okay, I have it. I know, like, literally all of you are under my link, so you're all eligible. Alright, so as soon as I get like 5 readies, I'm gonna go. Okay, Morpheus. McCall ready in a minute. Alright. Pumzilia, I thought you were already under my link. Because you follow me on copy trading. But no stress, we'll sort it out. Send me an email and then I'll send you a gift. I'll set you up under my link and I'll send you a gift. Because you follow me on copy trading, so you deserve a gift anyway, Pumzile. You're getting something, don't stress. Patrick, ready. Morpheus, ready. Jess, ready. So it's gonna be right here, not in the Telegram. Or I can do it in the Telegram to get you to all join the Telegram, but I know you're all there. Let's do it here. Destiny, ready. McCall, are you ready, bro? McCall, we can't wait any longer. It's been 3.5 hours. Okay, I'm going, y'all. McCall, it's been a minute. Reaper's ready. Destiny's ready. Okay, it's coming. Let me just get rid of these banners so it doesn't block anything. And before I do it, like, we just went nuts for live viewers. I can see that the viewers just went absolutely parabolic. Probably because I'm doing a giveaway. But if you're here right now, before I do the giveaway, just smash the like button for me, please. If you are watching the stream, we have 100 watching over the different platforms. If you are watching the stream, please just smash the likes for me. Please smash the like button for me. Let me watch it rise. Please smash the likes. Thank you so much. And for the viewers who have just joined, please do rewatch the stream. For those of you who have been here the whole time, once the stream is loaded as a replay, please do pop me a comment on the stream afterwards, not in the live chat, afterwards, because it does help the algorithm. Okay, McCall's finally ready. We're moving. And the song is perfect timing. Let's go. You ready? Let's do it. It's coming now. It's coming now. There it is, y'all. There's the giveaway. Smash it, smash it. Alright, I see 1 claimed. I see 2 claimed. What? It looks like I did choose random amount by mistake, but it's fine. They're not too random. One more, y'all. 2 have claimed. Is that Trades by Real? Is Trades by Real in here? Who is I am? TTS, I'm thinking is TT, right? So well done, TT, for claiming. How is there still 1 more? Okay, there we go. All 3 claimed. Amana only got 91 cents. Oh, okay, Amana, I'll send you something, bro, because that's not right. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to make it random. But well done to TT, well done to I am. Who's I am? But TT, you got the biggest amount. And don't stress, way more giveaways coming, and Amana, I'm gonna send you something. Don't worry. Did I just see a new follower on TikTok? Let's go. Pumzile Shabalala, you followed me on TikTok. Let's go. Alright, well done, peeps. Well done to those who were able to claim. Thank you so much. It has been one of my favorite streams. Every stream with this community is my favorite stream. And I just want to end off by saying a huge thank you to all of you for supporting me, never giving up on me, always showing up, always showing face. And yeah, congratulations to those who are able to claim the giveaway. And of course, you know, the real value here is the learning. Just remember that. The real value here is the learning, not the giveaways. And I know you all know that. So please remember, my advice, always play from a position of power and strength. Use your stop loss and do not get wrecked. Thank you so much, everybody. I will see you in the communities. I'll see you in the academy, the Discord, the Bybit South African crew. So much love and respect. Goodbye.